We're live on every single platform. And it's giveaway time. I just need to do a couple things. I also need to wait because I gotta wait for more people to come. Get the notification from the Discord. Gotta make sure that went through. Let me open up my chat. Alright, we got the tubes going, Twitch going, the talk going. Move that over here. Everything's connected. Open that up. Doesn't even say that I'm live, so we gotta wait a moment. So while I wait, I'm gonna show you guys my cool bowl, as well as I'm gonna do something else real quick too. Open this up. Open up Twitch. All right, and then with Twitch open, go over here, click on this thing. Oh wow, we're at 118 followers. All right, so we're good. So before I get started with this giveaway, for the people who watch their stream back, and because there's nobody here yet, a couple things I want to say. First off, I want to say thank you guys. This year we hit 118 followers and 11 subs. And I just started streaming in October. It is now the end of December. So I want to thank you guys from the bottom of me heart. I appreciate it. I also want to shout out a couple people because I wouldn't have made it this far, this fast if it wasn't for them. First being my sister, one of the ones who got me into streaming. Nala, shout out you. The second person I want to shout out is Dragon. I appreciate you. Mr. Wooks, I appreciate you. Why do I mention these two? Because they not only shouted me out, but they also taught me a lot of streaming techniques and gave me tips and stuff like that, along with my sister too. And they've been very nice to me, very welcoming, and very supportive of me, so I really appreciate them. Other people that I would like to mention: Shado, Sput, Makey, Corny. You guys are my top 4 chatters, I believe. Oh, and Vex. Vex became a top as well. I hope I'm not forgetting nobody. But I would like to thank you 5 people that I just named, because you guys been in these chats. You guys been chatting it up, and you guys been really showing me a lot of love, and I genuinely appreciate it. So shout out to them. Everybody else that comes through here, like Saiti and Novus, and people from the YouTube side, Geo. Everybody else, thank you. I appreciate you guys. If I missed your name, I am sorry, okay? There's so many names. But I just want to just express my gratitude of how thankful I am for you guys being part of the stream, for you guys sitting around watching me code and watching me make my game and all that good stuff. I really appreciate you. Also, thank you for the subscriptions. I appreciate you all. I think we have I don't think I can name every single person who subscribed, but there is a couple people that I do want to mention. So first off, Makey has been my longest subscriber. I really appreciate that. And then another person I want to mention is Shado. I wasn't expecting a subscription from you, and I appreciate it times a million, because not to put anybody on blast or anything, I'm just gonna leave it at that. I don't want to put anybody's life on blast or nothing like that, but we're gonna put it like that. So doing that, when I don't even know how to say this properly. Yeah, I'm just gonna, I don't want to put anybody on blast, so I just want to say thank you. Shit. All right, the notification popped up. All right, so check it out. I have this cool ass bowl right here, right? It's a One Piece bowl. Oh, I hit my mic, sorry. It's a One Piece bowl, right? Real cool. And inside this bowl is a bunch of pieces of papers. As you guys know, I was doing a giveaway, and just by joining the Discord, you entered in one raffle. And I also made an announcement of how to gain more raffle tickets to better your chances of winning. the gifts. And I know people got questions like, oh, what are the gifts? And blah, 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 blah. Right? So first, let's go to this announcement and I'll show you guys. So this is the whole section. All right. You join the Discord, that's one entry. You follow all 4 of us, that's one entry. If you've posted clips of our streams, that's one entry. An active chatter, an active Discord chatter, and you wishlist my game. If you did all of that, you got the max amount of entries. All right. And for the people who don't have PC and wishlist my game, thank you. They made a Steam account and wishlist my game despite not having a PC. Thank you. I see you. I appreciate you. You know who you are. But yeah, so that's the giveaway. Also, since we're talking about wishlist my game, you know, go wishlist my game on Steam right now. You feel me? Support your indie devs. All right, but we're going to get into this giveaway. So basically how it's going to work is from this beautiful bowl that I got from Christmas, I'm going to be drawing your names. I wrote everybody's names down multiple times based on how many raffle tickets you've earned. And we're going to be doing random picks, shuffle the bowl, random picks, shuffle the bowl. There will be 3 winners. Now, what are the prizes? So the first place prize is $100. Second place prize is $50. And third place prize is $25. So that is $175 out of my pocket to y'all, just to give back. I ain't rich or anything, all right? And I'm not the only one who pitched in for this. I want you guys to know the other people in the group also pitched in for this. So this is not just strictly from me. It's from Zay, it's from Rye, it's from Spider. So thank you to them. Shout out to them. And in my shout outs, I forgot to mention them. I'm so happy that I met those people. Starting this streamer group was amazing. I met these guys on Lethal Company and I had a fucking blast with them. And then Ryan motivated me to start streaming. Ryan also motivated Zay to start streaming. And once Zay started streaming, that's how I was like, damn, I need to start streaming too. Like, it just worked out. And now we're a group, SOS. We have a new member coming in January as well. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully that goes through because he's going to be great. I feel like he's going to be great. I really do. But yeah, without further ado, you know, everybody that's able to get here is able to get here. Let me pull up my chat. I didn't have chat open this whole time. I can't find chat. Okay, here we go. And let me look at the TikToks. All right. Hey, someone with my name joined the live on TikTok. That's funny. The Xaviers will dominate the world. All right. We're going to get into this giveaway. Just give me 1 second. I'm trying to verify YouTube chat's working. Okay, cool. It is. All right. So now, here we go. I'm not going to be looking in the bowl. We're going to do this completely 100% fair. I don't know if we should start from 3rd place winner or 4th place winner. I'm not sure. I also kind of want to wait a little longer for the peoples to get in here, cause it'd be taking some time for people to get in here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know. Should I just go for it? And they could just watch the stream back? Maybe I should tell a story. Oh, there was a beast. I didn't even see that. I'm a little nervous. Is it wrong if there's like people I hope that win? Is that bad? Then I'm like, oh, I hope this person wins. Merry Christmas, Mr. Boo-Ronius. I'm dead. Oh yeah, I hope everybody's Christmas was good. I'm gonna stall a little bit, I'm not gonna lie to you. I wanna wait for people to get in here. Shit. What'd y'all get for Christmas? I'm gonna tell y'all what I got for Christmas. So I got this bowl for Christmas. Yeah, Diamond, what's good, my boy? You could be a winner, Diamond. You know that, right? I wrote your name down in this motherfucker, right? What's good? How you been, bro? How you been? How was your Christmas? How was your Christmas? So I got this bowl. I got a stocking over there with candy and stuffed animals, like a Yeti, and then because I snowboard, and then a gnome, and then I got $100 gift card, and then I bought myself one of these. What else I get? I think that's it. Oh no. I got a chef book. Oh, I gotta show you guys this. Hold on. I gotta show y'all this. I got a motherfucking recipe book because I be cooking and shit. I got Sanji's book. So Sanji gonna be cooking me up. I'm gonna be cooking up some of Sanji's meals. I'm gonna be in the kitchen like these. I'm gonna see a girl and my eyes are gonna go all hearty. I gotta feed you. Head ass boy. Alright, I'm tired of waiting. Here we go. The winners. We're gonna go from third place to first place. There's no duplicate winners, and also you have 48 hours to claim your gift. Nah, maybe 24 hours. Nah, 48 seems fair. I'm not gonna lie. 48 seems fair. So I'm not gonna be looking in the bowl at all. And just to give y'all an example, if you guys look closely in this bowl, the papers are folded. I don't know if that's like, I just seen people do that in raffles, alright? I just work here. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, here we go. Our third place winner is... Can you guys see this? Hold on. Fuck. Yo, where is it at? Alright, here we go. Can y'all see this? Can y'all can't. Y'all could kind of see this. I think I spelled his name wrong. No, I didn't. Our third place winner is Shado. Yes, sir. That's what's up. He won a third place. Appreciate you, Shado. All right, next person. Let me just shuffle this up. All right, here we go. Oh shit! Hold on. Boom, I'm gonna go to the left of the bowl. Bam. Okay, there's multiple names. Shake whatever off. Alright, one fell off. Let's see who this person is. Mr. Wookson. Wookson? I said his name right. I hope I said your name right. But you the second place winner, my boy. You the second place winner. Okay, so we got one more winner left. Right now, 2 winners. Shado and Wookson. Alright. Okay, alright. So now for the first place winner. The first motherfucking place winner. Alright. And then also too, like, if you are a winner and you don't want your you don't want the prize and you want to give it to someone else, then man, you could do that. Anyways. First place winner goes to... I feel like I should have more winners. More what's it called? Shit. First place winner goes to... Boom. Picked it up. Oh. Hypagon. Hey, yo. Hypagon, motherfucking... Oh, I forgot to show you guys names. Hold up. Just for proof purposes, so nobody be like, "Oh, you scamming and shit." That was Wookson. Oh, I dropped it. That was Wuxin. And then we have a Hypogon. So those are our three winners: Hypogon, Mr. Wuxin, and Shado. Clap it up for them. Clap it up for them. I hear crickets. No, it's all good. All right, so those are the winners. Now bonus winners. Oh shit, y'all didn't see that coming, did you? Yes, we got bonus winners. These bonus winners are just popped off the spot because I feel like there should be more than 3 winners. I'm not gonna lie to you. So many people done supported, and I want to show my gratitude. So this part strictly from me. All right, here we go. Wait, let me shake it up. Boom, bam, beep, bop, boop, beep, boop, bop, beep, bam, bam. Oh, we didn't catch nothing. Bam. Oh, nothing still. Bam. Oh, bam. Okay, we got a bunch. Just shake it off. We gotta shake it off. We gotta shake it off. Now we got 1 left. Did I drop any? All right, I didn't drop any. Bonus winner. Makey. Makey with the bonus winner. Let's go. All right. And the final bonus winner is. Moment of truth. Bam. Oh, we picked up so many. We have a whole clump. Shake it off. Oh. Shake it off. Unfair grab. Unfair grab. I'm not gonna lie. Shit fell out. Unfair grab. Hold up. Let me shake good. Let me shake good. I shook some off, but it didn't matter. Who won? Shado. We got 4 winners so far. I know I only said there's 3, but I'm doing 2 bonus winners. And so the way I was doing it, from 3rd place to 1st place, and then now bonus. So in 3rd place we had Shado. In 2nd place we had, y'all can't see this for the life of lives, Wooks. What, I'm first? No, third to 1st. So we're going from 3rd place to 1st place. So 2nd place, 3rd place was Shado, 2nd place was Wooks, and 1st place, Hypogon. And then the bonus winner. Damn, y'all really can't see this shit. Bonus winner was Makey. And then now the final bonus winner. Bam. Oh, we didn't grab nothing. Oh, let me shake it up a little bit. Here we go. Now looking inside. Bam. Oh, still didn't grab shit. Bam. All right, we got one. This is a duplicate winner. No duplicate winners. Here we go. Bam. Oh, bam. Shake it off. I grab multiple. We can't do that. Hold on. I'm hearing chats, but I'm not seeing chats. What's going on here? Oh, Corey. What is happening? It's just me. Yo, Corey. What's good? Welcome to the stream. I'm not sure if you're new here or if you're in the Discord and you've been here. I don't really remember. But basically, I did a Christmas giveaway. Just by joining the Discord server, you would be in a raffle to win. And there would be a 1st place, 3rd place, and 2nd place winner. And so that's what I'm doing. I'm just calling out the winners right now. Right now we have 3 winners already picked, plus a bonus one that I did, and then I'm doing the final bonus winner right now. Hell, what we all win. So it goes 3rd place 25 gift card, 2nd place 50 gift card, 1st place 100 gift card, and then bonus $10 gift card, bonus $10 gift card. So that's a total of 175, 85, 195, almost 200 bucks. All right, here we go. Final winner. Shake it up. Bam. Another duplicate winner. Goddamn. Boom. 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 Okay. Who might this be? Vex. It's Vex. Shit. Show y'all this if I can. I don't think y'all can see that shit, but it's Vex. And then as far as the duplicate winners go, the duplicate winners was Wook Shado, which they already won first, and they already won second and third place. So I can't. There's no duplicate winners, unfortunately. But yeah, that's that. That'll conclude the what's it called? Everything will be done through Amazon gift cards, or I mean, if a gift card of your choice. Honestly, it's up to you. Just hit my DM if you were a winner, and then I have to DM all of the winners who won, and I also have to announce the winners who won as well. But that's that. Hell yeah, we appreciate it. Yes sir, yes sir. So let's go ahead and make this. Let's go ahead and make this shit. Idolus Creer. Thank you for the follow. I'm sorry, I tarnished your name, my boy. I tarnished the fuck out of your name. I'm not gonna lie to you, but thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. You a beast, bro. You are a beast. All right, we're gonna go ahead and announce these motherfucking winners real quick. So let me pull up Discord. All right. What's up, man? What's up? How you doing? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. We're doing a little giveaway and whatnot. We got some winners here. We got 5 total winners. Oh shit. Can I get in on the giveaway? So there will be more giveaways in the future, and the way to win in these giveaways is just by joining the Discord. So I don't know if Discord ever popped up in chat, but I will go ahead and give you guys the link to the Discord. I'll give you the link to the Discord. But yeah, the giveaway is already over, unfortunately. You had to be here before Christmas to get in, basically. The way it worked was just by being in the giveaway. Or actually, the way it worked was right here. Join the Discord, 1 entry, follow all 4 of the streamers in the group of SOS, and then post clips from my streaming clips from any of our streams. Be an active chatter in Discord, and wishlist my game on stream, and that will get you multiple raffle tickets into the giveaway. We will be doing more stuff like this and giving back to our community that we've been growing. This is SOS, Success Over Sleep. This is our streamer group with 4 streamers currently, and basically that's how you would win. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get you this link, and then you be an active supporter and whatnot. You have incentive to do so. Invite to server. Plus, I'm making a cool ass game, so like, why not? You know, why not come through? Why not come through? What were you giving away? First place $100, second place $50, third place $35, and my 2 bonus places that I randomly came out of my ass, $10 each. Gift cards of their choice. What game are you making? I am making a horror game based off of my real life job, and basically it's on Steam right now. You could search up Dagger Boobs on Steam and it'll pop up, or you could search the game's name, Night Shift at the Cement Plant, and this game will pop up. Basically, you're in a cement plant and you're doing the task to get through your night shift or whatever, and there's skinwalkers that are going to be haunting you. More information on the game is all here, but it's available for wishlist on Steam right now, and you get to see me actively make the game on stream, because I do stream, other than aside from gaming, I do stream game dev stuff. So yes sir, this is my first ever game too, so I'm new to this. I've only been working on the game for 8 months. I've only been a game developer for like 8 months, so, or for like a year, I guess you could say, but I've only been working on this game for 8 months. That's sick. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. I appreciate that. All right, let's make this post and announce the winners real quick. But yeah, everybody who's in this Discord server and everybody who tuned in on the streams, whether it's from my side, Rye's side, Zay's side, or Spider side, we all appreciate you and we all thank you for being here. You're a beast. That's scary as fuck. You work at a cement plant in the night? Yeah, I work 12-hour shifts, 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. at a cement plant. I load trains and whatnot. If you stick around after I make this announcements, I'm gonna be game developing, so I could give you a tour of the game and whatnot if you're interested in seeing like I guess the behind the scenes of it. All right, here we go. Wait, what happened in chat? Oh, you made it. Hell yeah, bro. You're a beast. Announcements. All right. The winners. Damn, I'm blind as hell. Hold up. I feel like a grandpa right now. Hold on. And the winners. And the winners of the Christmas raffle are first place Hypagon. Did I spell that right? Hypagon. Yes, I did. First place Hypagon. Oh no. Delete. Fuck. Oh, good thing it didn't add everyone. God damn. All right. Shit. All right, here we go. And the winners of the Christmas raffle are drums, please. Oh shit. Bam. We're gonna look up drums. I want emojis. Drums. Skull. Oh my god, I clicking the wrong thing. First Hypagon $100 gift card. Second place winner $50. Oh shit, wait, we gotta name the second place winner. Oh wait, I could just add them. What am I doing? Shift at. All right, hold on. Sorry, chat. I'm a little slow. I'm not gonna lie. At Hypagon, $100 gift card. Second place winner. Shift at Mr. Wookson, $50 gift card. Third, Supernatural. Man, get out of here, bro. 30-bot band. Nice. All right. Third at Morshado. $25 gift card. And I chose 2 bonus winners during the raffle because I felt 3 winners wasn't enough. So the raffle bonus winners are, and I drew 2 bonus winners during the raffle because I felt 3 winners wasn't enough. So the raffle bonus. Yo, what's up, Lakia Johnson? Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Winners because I felt. Right now we're doing a raffle just to get you in tune. We did a raffle. Now I'm making the announcement of the winners who won the raffle. If you want to participate in the next giveaway, make sure you join the Discord. The link is in the description on the YouTube. Just click on YouTube's description and you'll see the link to it. And the next giveaway that we do to give love back to our community, you will be automatically entered just by being there. And there will be other ways to earn more raffles as well. I'm doing good. That's good. I'm glad you're doing good. So the raffle bonus winners are bonus 1, Oh wait, gotta capitalize that B. Bonus winner 1. Shift at Makey. Bonus winner 2. Shift at, who was it? Oh, Vex. Vex from, oh, I gotta put that, what's it called? $10 gift card. $10 gift card. I was going to do Amazon gift cards. It's Amazon gift cards. It's Amazon gift cards, but if you want something else, just let me know. Or some other card, comma, just let me know. Winners, DM me. And thank you everyone who joined the Discord and supported all the streamers in this group. And happy holidays to you all. I hope they were amazing. Shift at everyone. I will say, Hypergon, Wookskin, Shado, Makey, and Vex, they're all from my community. And so earlier when I said that there was people I hope that win, they're here. They made the list. But I was also hoping people from other communities also won too. I was hoping I could at least get at least one person from everybody's community. But y'all seen the raffle. I did it as fair as I possibly could. Blind drew and all that stuff like that. So yeah, that's that, man. Appreciate y'all. All right, we're gonna get into game dev, and we're gonna, after we send this. Oh shit, hold up. It said, hold up. By using everyone. Let me edit message. Hold up. And the winners of the Christmas raffle are drums, please. Nigga, I meant to say drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. First, Hypergon. Second, Wookson. Third, Shado. And I drew 2 bonus winners during the raffle because I felt 3 winners weren't enough. I felt 3 winners weren't enough. I felt 3 winners wasn't enough. So the raffle bonus winners are bonus 1, make a $10 gift card. Bonus winner 2, $10 gift card. If you, oh shit, I forgot there's one more thing I need to add. It's Amazon gift cards, but if you want some other gift card, just let me know. Winners DM me. If you don't, winners DM me. You have 24 hours. Oh, you have 48 hours. You have 48 hours. And thank you everyone who joined the Discord and supported all the streamers in this group. And happy holidays to you all. I hope they were amazing. Winners DM me. You have 48 hours. And thank you everyone. All right, so there's that. Bam. And send now. Okay. We did it. Share with your followers. Publish. This message will be sent to all servers following this channel. You can edit or delete this message later and will update correspondingly to each following server. Confirm? I don't know what I just did. Novice. But yeah, that wraps that up. Top. We did that shit. Chat. All right, let's get into game dev. Let's open up the shit. Submit plan. Bam. I have a whole entire list of stuff because I'm about to drop a new devlog. I have a whole entire list of stuff. Chat, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. A whole entire list of what stuff? Oh, of all the features I updated. Or the other features I added / updated. I'll put that over there. Pull this in closer. Oops. Here we go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Congrats to the winner, $100 gift card. That's like a McDonald's chicken sandwich. Yo, what? Yo, someone said $100 gift card is like a is like a McDonald's gift card. Oh my god, are you telling me I won the giveaway so I get $200? Yo, what's good, Reigns? The giveaway's over, man. You didn't win, man. I don't even think you're in the Discord. I don't even think you're in the Discord. Martell's in the Discord, but I never seen you join. So I didn't write your name down, so you're not in the Discord, I don't think. But yeah, random winner, $200. Ah, head ass boy. Shit. All right, here we go. Idle, are you still here? Are you still in chat? If you are, I'm gonna give the game tour for you. If not, I'm just gonna get into development. Let's open up our code, because that's important. Okay. Code's open. Let's open up some AI, you feel me? So past couple of days I haven't been streaming. I kind of just been taking a break from the whole streaming shit, because everybody's on holiday anyway, so like, you know. But I still been game developing, and what I've been working on was making the monster smarter and react more human-like when it gets stuck on things. And then also I taught the monster how to climb stuff, so the monster is able to climb the rail cars. So this way the player can't cheese the monster. But there's this problem I'm running into, and it's like one or the other, and it's like it's really annoying. So basically I'm gonna preview it real quick, the problem I'm running into. I could put the graphics in high now. Okay, so the problem that I'm running into, where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. So the problem that I'm running into is, let's see. Once I get on this train, he doesn't know how to act. He doesn't know what to do. And now he's like super stuck. And then I'll get back down. Then he'll climb. Wait, why isn't he? There, now he climbed up. So now we have two of them after us. But like once I get on this train, they don't know what to do. They just start freaking out because this train is not on what's it called. But the moment I step off, then they go climbing over. I've never seen him stuck before like this. Oh, they made it. Why are they getting stuck like this? It's probably because of this knuckle right here. I need to make it climbable. But the problem here is that I know what the problem is, and I could fix it. But one fix breaks it another way, and then another fix breaks it another way. So check it out. Right here, right, we have this little blank space of green. That's because the nav mesh, which is this green shit, it's affected by the train. That's why the train has the green on it. But the moment I go to, if I do navigation and I untick that, then it's no longer affected and the monsters don't get stuck. And they're actually able to run up onto the train. So if I run up here, the monster ran up there as well, right? But the part that's fixed, right? The issue you just saw earlier was fixed. But now I'm gonna show you what's broken. So we have both monsters on us. If I run around here and hit this sharp turn, like so, nobody's behind me. And the reason being is because they are somewhere just running into the train. And I could probably find it if I go up here and look. They're right there. And they can go over now if I run around. And I go up here real fast. One made it. Nope, he got stuck. And so it's like they're still getting stuck. Versus, I'll show you how it works without. I can get this monster on me right here. Where's he? Oh, there he is. I can get this monster on me right there. I can try to get him stuck. But no matter what, he's going to come around that corner. Because now he... Basically, it's like when the nav mesh can affect... When the train can affect the navigation, the monsters will go around it because they can see the train. But with that unticked, it makes the train invisible. So it's like, do I just... honestly, I think the only fix that I could do is make the player just not able to go up on the train. Or if the player sits on the train too long, their sanity gets messed with. And the train also, the train has to... Fuck, what is it? The train has to affect the mesh. So I don't know. But that's what I'm running into. It's like I can't find a fix for both because I guess they don't let you like put a nav mesh on the train. Or I tried editing the nav mesh on this train, but it just doesn't work. So I really don't know. It's a very... I've been going back and forth with it for a couple of days. Can you show me... Wait. Can you have two nav meshes somehow? Nah. Nope, you can't, unfortunately. Because that's what I tried doing. I like just the regular world's nav mesh, right? And then a nav mesh specifically for the train. But you can't put a nav mesh specifically on a train. The only thing you can do is just let the nav mesh be let the one nav mesh be affected by this, and then wait a minute. Hold on, you might be onto something. Yo, Josh Henry, hold on. Is it possible to have two separate nav meshes? Oh my god, if this is the fix, I'm gonna suck a dick. No, I'm lying. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. Yes, you can have multiple nav meshes, bro, but they work in a specific way. UE supports Nova Nav Mesh. One for humanoid narrow capsules can fit through small spaces. 2 for flying AI, and 3 for large creatures. Edit, project settings, navigation, agents, supported agents. I just want to put a... Wait, but that still wouldn't work. Is the side they're stuck on climbable? I'll show you what's climbable, because I don't know how to answer that. So... Okay, so with this space right here, this blank space where the nav mesh is not, the train isn't climbable. But once I untick that, now they can climb up the stairs into the train. And into the train. And then all for as far as rail cars go, no matter what, it's climbable. The monster can climb up on the ladder like the player can climb up on the ladder. The monsters can also climb up the knuckle as well. But the player can't climb up on the knuckle because that's a safety hazard. So I don't let the players do that. So the monster can climb up here and here. on both sides of the train. So here, 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 and here. But if I could add another nav, oh, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to add another nav mesh. But I think if I add another nav mesh, no matter what, the train will affect the nav mesh. But let me just try duplicating the nav mesh. So nav mesh bounds, that's what it's called. So place actors, search for all, nav mesh bounds volume. Just drag this in here like so. And then let's move it over here. Let me put this back in the ground. Let me see something. And then I go back to this train. And in the details, untick. Oh, you can't even tell. Yeah, no matter what. Fill collision underneath mesh. Yeah, no matter what, if you stack it, the train's still gonna mess with it. But let me make sure that this nav mesh even works by just throwing it over here. Yeah, so the nav mesh does work. So stacking nav meshes, that won't work either. Fuck. So I think the only way to fix this is I have another idea. Hold on. Okay, never mind. Never mind. That won't work. Is there a way to put a tag on a mesh and code the monster to know to go around the mesh? Yes, you could tag the train mesh and add custom logic to make the monster detect it and path around it. Add collision volume to the train engine that the monster detects, then manually steers away from. That might work. I think that's the way to do it. I think that's how we're gonna have to do it. So add a tag to the train engine. I'm over here eating my lips. God damn, I done. Bad habit. It's a terrible habit. All right. Here we go. So let's get everything set up for coding. Skinwalker, bam. All right, here we go. We're going to go to the train engine. So let's go ahead and find the train engine.h. And I have tag ops train obstacle. Now this is in our train engine for C++. In details, tags for blueprint. So we're going to do, let's copy this right here. Control C. Let's go into our Unreal. Let's delete this. Oh, okay, I thought I deleted the other one. Almost cried. Almost seen a grown man cry. So we can make this unaffected, and we can go to tags, and we could add a tag right here. So this is train obstacle, and then we could, so now the monster will go around the train or up on the train with the tag, and we could make the collision to be where it cuts off right here, so the monster could still use the stairs. If the player goes up on the stairs, the monster can still go up on the stairs. Hopefully the collision that we create works that way. That's what I'm hoping. I'm pretty sure it's just gonna be a fucking box. that I can scale. So if it's a box that I can scale, then we're gonna be Gucci like the shirts with the snakes on them. All right. So train obstacle, and then we add this tag name to the begin play. I gotta stop looking down. I got two screens and I'm looking at the bottom screen. Let's focus on this screen now. My bad, chat. My bad. All right. So tags, add name, and begin play. So let's go find our begin play. Do I put it in the beginning of begin play or after? We'll create the rail cars, and then right after the creation of the rail cars, we'll add the tag. So tags dot add f name, and that'll be parentheses again, and then it'll be quotations, control V, and then boom. Oh shit. Control Z, and then we just end that off like so. So we add that tag. Add avoidance detection to the monster. Add a spear component to detect nearby obstacles. A spear component? Why not a why a spear component? Why a spear if the mesh is rectangular? I think we need a box component, not a spear component. Not gonna lie to you. All right, so a box component did. Cool. So in the begin play of our Skinwalker class, let's find our skinwalker.cpp. This will have to be in the public section because it's connected to said train, I believe. So we're gonna throw this in the public section. Movement settings, ambient sound, stand up. I think this can go in the movement settings. So let's go ahead and just put it under the movement settings, and we'll do the U property, Control C, U property, and instead of visible anywhere, we're gonna do edit anywhere. And then under that, it'll be class, uBox, component, pointer, and then obstacle detector, semicolon. Obstacle detector, I hope I spelled that right. Obstacle. All right, and then create the box in there. So add this to our Skinwalker under everything else. So a Skinwalker, if character movement, primary tick, AI control class, walk speed, begin play. And then all this bullshit, which I'm just copy and pasting. Not gonna lie to you, because I already know all this. So boom, create the default sub object. That's the root component now. Wait, if it's a root component, it won't be editable. Obstacle detector. Why is it red squiggly lines? Did I spell it wrong? OBSTACLEDTECTOR. Interesting. Y box is better. Alright, we're gonna compile this code and we're gonna see what errors we. Oh wait. I know why we're getting errors. We need the include for uBox component. Give me the include. Give me the include. Boom. Oops. Control V. Now we have the include. And then Modify to U boss component. I don't need this comment because I already know what that is. And then I don't need this because I also know what this is already too. Alright, so that gives me access. So now let's go ahead and do that. The red squiggly lanes also disappeared. So that was the issue. We would have got an error, but now we're good. So hell yeah. Hopefully this works. Hopefully this works. Then I can make it to where the monster's not going to go there regardless. And then exit this. Go here. And now let's test it. It compiled. Let's see if it works. Oh, wait, it compiled. We can't test it yet. I lied. I'm sorry, chat. I lied. Alright, so moving audio, idle audio. Wait, we added the tag? Mesh optical. Wait a minute. Is the train supposed to have... Did I miss something? No, it's Is the train supposed to have the detector or the monster? It's a detector. It's just detecting the item with the tag, so you don't need the box. Or the monster. So we could just make this really small then. I don't want it like this though. Monster has the box detected to the monster train has the tag. When the monster detector box overlaps with the train, it detects the tag and steers away. This way the monster is constantly feeling for obstacles around as it moves. The train doesn't need any extra components, just tag. Works for multiple train engines. Works for multiple train engines automatically. Any actor with the tag, with that tag. Let's test it and see like how it works and if it works. So, but I want to check if this has a tag on it too, because once the game starts, it spawns in the rail cars. Alright, stop. Play. Oh, wait, hold on. Oh, sorry. Alright, let's test this shit. Where's our monster? Okay, he made it. Let's see if they can make it to me from there. He's still running into the train. I think I also got to add logic, like if the player gets too far away, they don't know to go around the train. They're just in the front row. They try to get them stuck by doing a sharp turn like this. Yeah, see, that they should be able... They made it on top. Motherfuckers. Yeah, they're still not going around it. Yeah, that still didn't work. And I compiled it. Yeah, I compiled it. What if I make it bigger? He still gets stuck. And he's on the train now. Huh. Alright, so that didn't work either. That didn't work. They still just run into the train. Yeah, I think honestly the easiest fix and the only fix is just not letting the player on the train. Which is annoying. Make avoidance happen in the AI controller, not just tick. Wait, we never... Wait. We never added anything to tick. All we did was... I didn't even realize that. Jesus. All we did was, what did we do? All we did was start throwing it back, honestly. That's... Low-key makey. I got something to tell you. First off, welcome back to the stream. I'm very happy to see you. Second off, the last time I seen you, I was game developing, right? And you had came and you were being nice and whatnot and like being supportive and being like, you know, it's good, it's okay, because I was mad because of the game dev stuff. I was mad. And I was like, damn, I'm kind of giving stream chat attitude. And then I was like, I'm just going to end stream. And I rage ended stream because I was pissed that day. And I was like, and then I didn't see you for a cool minute. And I was like, oh no. What if you took that as like me being mean? And so I just wanted to apologize on that behalf for ending the stream. It was nothing to do with you. I wasn't mad at nobody. I just decided to end because I was so mad and I didn't want to keep giving chat attitude while you guys were being optimistic and telling me it'll be okay. In the end, it was okay, but still, I wanted to give out that apology because I did feel bad about it because I did give multiple people a bit of attitude that day, and I wasn't trying to take out my anger on chat. I was so frustrated with game development that day. So I just want to apologize for giving you attitude. But yeah, what's good? How's your holiday been? Shit. And no worries, King. I know everything's been stressful, but just keep going, man. I always support you no matter what. I appreciate that, Makey. Also, I don't know if you've seen on Discord, but you won. You won a bonus prize for the raffle. So if you want, just let me know. Just message me. Just DM me, letting me know. Amazon gift card or what kind of gift card you want. But yeah. All right. So yeah, we never added the logic to this shit. Oh yeah, but how was your holidays? For on a train obstacle, we never added anything to tick. All we did was add the box component as root. So, as root, just so you know, nothing new was added to tick. So your current code has bug detector on the monster overlap events on that obstacle to nearby obstacle array. It's mid. It's been kind of fun, but kind of boring. We don't have anything exciting happening during the Christmas, but it's okay. I'm with the fam, and that's all that matters. Exactly. That's all that matters. Um, my family's all split up, so uh, I just for Christmas, what did I do for Christmas? My sister, she's like in a different state, so she just sent me gifts, and then I haven't seen my other sister yet, and then my dad gave me a gift, and then I just hung out with my girl. I don't want to do tags. I think I think tags are genius because then I could just throw tags on everything else that I want the monster to avoid, and it'd make it easier. But then, what would be the point of the nav mesh rules? All right, let's rewind a little bit. Let's rewind a bit. Instead of tags, same. It's kind of hard with family that's separated. Yeah, it really is. I'm glad my brother came home for this year's Christmas, so that's something good. Hell yeah, that's awesome. Let's rewind a bit. Instead of tags, I don't know. Oh, Makey, did you lose your streak? Or did you go back like Sput did and save them? Let's rewind a bit. Instead of tags, what? Fuck. I'm drawing a blank. Oh. Let's rewind a bit. I want to know, instead of tags, can we add a box component to the train mesh as well, so the monster can go on the train in certain parts, since the train, which allows navigate on the mesh. Nice outfit, by the way. Thank you. I got it for myself for Christmas. That was like a little gift to myself. I love these freaking little blanket hoodies. I got Luffy, I got Zoro, and now I got the Akatsuki. And then I got my sister. One right here. It's Nezuko. And then I got my girl one, which was cinnamon roll. And then I got we gotta follow. Chromananti King. I appreciate you. Thank you for the follow. And then I got my other sister one too. Hopefully she's not in the stream listening to this, because it'll be a spoil. But the thing is with hers, it's fucking sold out. So it's the perfect gift, and she's gonna love it. But it's sold out. So I told her it's gonna be late, unfortunately. Oh, my sister, she got me this One Piece bowl for ramen. It has all the Straw Hats on it. You're blessing my G. Hope the game dev is going well. Yes, sir. Hey, Croman, you could wish us my game on Steam, bro. You want to see it? You want to see? If you have a computer, or maybe if you don't have a computer, and you still want to make a Steam account on your phone, wish us my game. It helps out with putting the game in the what's it called? But you can search up Dagger Boobs on Steam, and it'll pop up and shit. That looks real cozy. Oh, you changed the points icons. Nice, that's so cool. Oh, Makey, I added so much stuff, so now you can use points. There's horny gel. Oh shit, there's horny gel. There's what the freak is horny gel? Also, since you're a sub, there's emotes that you can use now. But yeah, while I was gone, I added some stuff. I told you I was going to, and I kept my promise. I'm still adding stuff as we speak. But yeah, so there's new emotes and what's it called, and stuff. Horny gel. I really don't know exactly what it is, but it puts me in gel for a moment. I also got this One Piece cooking book, the Sanji's cooking book, and then I got of course, fam, I'm a 3D web designer. Oh, web engineer. Damn, I might. How did I say? Why did I say designer? I tried predicting what you're gonna say. A 3D web engineer. Let me wishlist that real quick. That's what's up, bro. You got tons of One Piece stuff. Yeah, I love One Piece. I love One Piece so much. I just I'm on the last like 13 episodes, but Chromanti, a 3D web engineer. Is that like where you make websites? Is it like a 3D website? Like, I don't know. What is a 3D web engineer? Can you elaborate on that? That sounds cool as fuck and so complicated. But appreciate the wish list, you a beast, bro. Which okay, so let's just send that over. Yes, sir. So I do Blender, 3JS, interactive experiences. Oh shit, bro. So you mean to tell me you would go with Blender? That's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. I'm like a all web languages, JavaScript, JS, JavaScript, right? I got it. Nerding. No, I'm just playing. But that's what's up, bro. I wanted to learn Java, low key, just because Minecraft. Then I could make Minecraft mods. I've never been a winner of a raffle before. I had real bad luck when it comes to those. Well, shit. Today's your lucky day because you became a winner. Why not use anime avatar? Rushi, what you mean? Why you not used anime avatar? Rushi, what are you talking about? Anime avatar on what? You got it, left myself. Hell yeah, bro. JavaScript. That's what I'm talking about. The little cat emoji. I'm dead. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, I still have to add an icon for sad corny. Sad corny, I haven't forgot about you. I see what you're saying now. You want monster can walk on top of train on the catwalk flat areas. Monster should avoid running into the sides of the train where there's no engine, no catwalk. So instead of blocking the whole train, we just block the solid sides where it shouldn't pass through. Exactly. Solution. Add blocking volumes to train engine sides only. We are just going to use one blocking volume. We're just going to use one blocking volume. A box. And I'll adjust to size. That's how we're going to do it. We don't have Amazon in the Philippines though. So what do you have? Because it could be any type of gift card, or if you want, I could just send you. I don't know. You guys have PayPal? We'll figure it out no matter what. But if y'all don't have Amazon, what do you guys have? And I'll get that. Does that anime girl is your game dev partner or you? Anime girl. What are you talking about? Wait. Are you talking about VR Mommy? The girl with the red outfit? I'll try to make a PayPal account. Okay. If that doesn't work, I don't know if you guys got Cash App. I don't know if y'all got Apple Pay. I think, what's the other one? I can't use Zelle because it doesn't accept my credit card or my debit card. There's another one. There's another pay thing. Overall, we'll figure it out. Yeah, I do that. I do what I can with Blender. I've been making add-ons lately. Wait, you've been making add-ons like for Blender itself? Can you make a retopology add-on? I'm so sick of retopology, bro. I turned 4 million faces into 40,000 faces. That shit was the most tedious task ever. And that was to create this monster here. Motherfucker, bro. Retopology. That's pretty cool though that you're making add-ons for what's it called? Girl with red hair anime outfit. Oh, okay, so basically, Rushi, the lore behind that is when I'm here at home, I'm a human. I'm a man. But I also stream somewhere else when I'm not home. And when I'm there, I become a VR mommy. It's like some crazy transformation. It's crazy. Damn, homie asked for the Bentonal of add-ons. Off the rip. I'm dead. I know because there's no. I seen like maybe some add-ons on it, but yeah. So basically, Rushi, that's what happens. So that is still me. Yeah, that's still me, bro. Yeah. So I just got some crazy lore to me. Honestly, I just turned into a woman. I turned into a bad bitch. You feel me? What game engine? This is Unreal Engine 5 with C++ and a little bit of Blueprint, but 90% C++, like 95% C++. Oh shit. All right, add one box component, side blocker. I'm not naming it side blocker. All right, well, let's just add this then. We'll just code this up real quick. JK, yeah, I'm not at that complexity yet, brother, but I do have a copy of Quadramesher if that can help. What's quad remesher? What's that? Shit. I'll take that copy. That sounds like it's paid for since you said copy. I will take that. Send me the link, bro. Now I understood. I thought she is your game dev partner. Ah, nah, sadly. Sadly, it's just me. But that would be so cool. That would be so cool. It's the GOAT of retopology. Really? How do I get it? How do I get it? It's him in a different dimension. Exactly, yeah. Also, Ruchi, if you want to chat with the other chatters that I'm responding to, if you come over to the purple platform that rhymes with itch, that's where they are. All right, so we're gonna add side blocker to our train engine. Where's our train engine at? There it is. Oh, it's the .h. Yes, W purple platform. It's easier to chat here. Let me check. Exactly, that's facts. Let me check how big the file size is, brother. I bet. Don't you dare give me a virus. I'm just playing. I trust you. I have version 1.2, I think. Is that Blender? Or the version of the retopology thing? Add a box component class uBlock side blocker. Okay, so this will be in public since the train's gonna have to see it anyways. So protected. We'll add this uProperty in the public section. Wait, we could just add it to the bottom public. Or wait, we have a public section right here. I'll just add it here. So let me make a little shit for it. We're gonna name this collision collision avoidance. Absolutely not a fellow Dready nerd. I got you, my boy. Hey, you got dreads too? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. You a beast, bro. Hell yeah. We're gonna do this uProperty. I'm just gonna copy this. Put that in there real quick like a so. And we're gonna change this from visible anywhere to edit anywhere because we do want to edit it. And we're gonna add this include in the top of the trained and engines. Make sure I don't already have it. Yep. I don't have it. Engine.h. Engine.h. Control V. Let's add that. Remove that stupid comment. Okay, in the constructor, add a single block engine mesh setup. So after our engine mesh setup, we're going to add engine mesh, setup root component. You can't have two root components. Or engine mesh, whichever is your root. My root component is engine mesh, so it'll be engine mesh. All right, cool. Glad you clarified that. We're gonna add this under this, right here, like so. Do you know C++? Are you learning it for the creation? I know the basics of C++. And then by knowing the basics of C++, I'm able to read basically any code almost from C++. Only not standard C++, just Unreal's version of C++. But I know the basics of both. I know the basics of Unreal's C++ and just regular C++. But I can't sit here and just code on my own. I could do some things on my own, but like a lot of things, like big things, I can't do on my own. So I use AI basically as an assistant because I have no education, no schooling, no degree, no nothing. So it's just me kind of winging it using AI. AI came out and found out I could make games because of AI. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. But you got to know the basics of C++. This is my opinion, but you got to know the basics of C++ in order to, understand what the AI is giving you. Because if you just copy and paste, you're going to get lost or you're going to mess something up. And yeah. Oh, so the syntax is different. Yeah, it's different. Like one example, integers in C++, that's like what they use for standard C++. But in Unreal Engine, it's int32 instead of just int. It's int32. And then properties as well. That's specific to Unreal Engine as well. But yeah, so stuff like that. But like the floats, the bools, and other stuff are the same. A lot of it is the same. Hey, yo, I hope the music's playing. Because if I'm dancing to nothing, I'm gonna cry. Yeah. Hey, Chroma King. I said Chroma King. Chromanti. Appreciate the sub. You a beast, bro. You a bestiality. A beast in reality. God, I haven't said that in so long. Nah, but for real, I appreciate the sub. Thank you so much. Chroma King, did I give you the Discord already? Why int32? 32-bit, I think. What about string? String is the same. Welcome to the best squad in DC. I don't know if I gave you the Discord, Chromanti. But just in case I didn't, invite the server, copy. Just in case I didn't. Yeah, I saw it earlier. Oh, okay, bet. Oh, shit. Here it is. Again. Oh, shit. It just popped up again. Hell yeah. All right, cool. Perfect. Just going through subbing, wishlist in the game, and joining Discord. Oh, okay, I see. I just seen that right now. Thank you, my boy. I appreciate you. You're a beast, bro. Oh, shit. I just got rid of something I didn't mean to get rid of. Open that back up. Open this. All right, here we go. But yeah, I don't know why it's int32. I think int32 means 32-bit or some shit. I think there's even an int64. I could be wrong though. I don't know. All right, so we're adding all this bullshit here, side blocker root component, but we do have to edit some shit. And I already know, like, so this stuff I know already. So I just usually stuff I know, I'll copy and paste, or if I'm lazy, I'll copy and paste. But after I copy and paste, I still go over it and read it to make sure I understand what's going on. At first, when I first did it for like the first 6 months, I didn't copy and paste at all. But like if it's repetitive stuff, I start copying and pasting it because, yeah, laziness. Oh shit, root components. Currently learning Java, but I also want to learn C++ for game dev. I guess I should just learn the syntax for both and then use AI for now and learn the language later. Nice to meet you, Boobsabot. LOL. You have a very cool name. I'm dead. Idle. Shit. The best way. Well, actually, first question. You said you want to make a game, so I'm guessing you want to make a game in Unreal Engine since you want to learn C++. Or do you want what do you want to do before I give you a tip on the whole learning thing? And then I also have a question for you too. Like, how are you learning Java? Like, you going to school for it or what? Root component. This will be engine mesh. So we change that to engine mesh. Basically, that's what that is. Side blockers. Let's see. Yeah, Shado nutting big time. Beast, bro, beast. Vectors, how you doing, Shado? How is it with your family right now? Engine mesh. Corey, finna go to sleep. Big day. Hell yeah, bro. You have a good night. Good night. Sleep well. Dream good. Dream about me. Nah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm joking. Boom, boom, boom. We'll keep that the same because we could edit this, and then that's all the collision bullshit. Compile, then open and adjust. Yeah. Compile.
More Shadot says, I dream about you every night.
All right, bro. I appreciate that. This man said I dream about you every night. Yes, I've been indoctrinated to Unreal Engine, and I'm learning Java on my own currently, but I know most topics of Java and the core of it. All right, so I'm kind of dumb. What the fuck does indoctrinated mean? Indoctrinated? Indoctrinated. I think I'm saying it right. Sheesh. Bro, this man's nutting again. He nutting everywhere. I'm dead. Electric. Is it that one streamer? Fuck, what's his name? He's really good at video games. He's like a pro. That's what it looks like. That's what he looks like. Alright, so falls. Alright, good night, Shado. Have a good one. Appreciate you for showing up. Congratulations, by the way, on the W. I've been taught to use Unreal. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Perfect, perfect. Everybody, a lot of people be coming on here and they be telling me to go to Unity because Unreal optimization sucks. But I mostly use assets and blueprints. I use some assets because I get them for free every single month because the Fab, they like drop free assets, 3 of them, like every like 3 or 2 weeks or some shit. So make sure you're getting those. And when you're getting those, make sure you select the professional license. You can still get the professional license for free. Just join Discord. Where can I drop some screenshots of my work? You can go to the game dev chat. Right here. Game dev chat. And if you don't have game dev chat, I believe at the top you can go to channels and roles or some shit. And you could select what channels you want to see. Because I know some people can't see. But yeah. Thank you for joining, bro. Appreciate you. Just blocking just physical. I think the optimization isn't the best either. However, it is a great way to learn it and understand optimizations for your game. Yeah, I feel like there's just going to be like a big learning curve that you got to do. But I'm pretty sure like there's still ways. There's still ways. So yeah, Unity's better with optimizations, cool beans. But I don't know. There's just some things in Unreal Engine that I like more than what's in Unity. But I've never done Unity, so I'm not going to knock Unity. I know Unity's great, and Unity some great games were made in Unity. But Unreal Engine just seemed like the better pick for me. But I have been considering trying out Unity for a game or two. But that's a lot of learning. Learning curve is larger, but much more rewarding. Yeah, facts. But shit. The tip I was gonna give you for learning C++, and basically how I learned, was have AI explain the basics of C++ to you as if you're a kid. And so they'll explain it using Legos and toys. That's how I learned some things, so that get the concept of it. And then also gamedev.tv, I took an Unreal Engine course through there, and that's where they taught me like little tips and tricks in C++. And they taught me the U properties and the integers. And then I looked up the YouTube videos, basic stuff. That's basically how I learned it. But yeah, Daggers has been grinding so hard. We appreciate viewers that support him through this too. Yep, thank you. I appreciate that. I've been streaming for like 2 months, I think, and almost every day. Did you complete the course? Yes, I completed the course. No doubt, we're all we got. I appreciate self-taught creators. Hell yeah, bro. The course for Game Dev TV. Yeah, I completed the course. Oh, that course, I love that course. I'm not gonna lie, in the beginning it was boring as fuck. And one of the teachers, he's boring as fuck. So it was kind of hard to follow along during the lectures. But the course, worth the money. And I got it on sale. Because there's always a sale. That's how they like brand it. They'll like make it look like it's like $500 or some shit. And then they'll sell it to you like for like $20. That's how they make their money. That's like the method, I guess. But yeah, it was worth that $25 that I paid. It taught me so much. And it also taught me, like, for example, say you write something in code, right? Say you go here and you write a U property or a function or some shit. But let's just use U property as an example. So say engine crossfade duration. Say I change this right now to a different number. There is a chance that when I recompile my code, it's not going to pop up on Unreal Engine. So what I have to do is I have to close Unreal Engine. Then I have to go to terminal and I have to run a build task. And then I have to click the cement plant or whatever Windows 64 development build. And that rebuilds the project and you open it back up and then it'll be there. And so they teach you like tricks like that. Like sometimes with the bugs that Unreal just has, they'll show you ways to get around them basically. Oh shit. So fuck. Wait, which one did she redeem? Oh, that's posture check. Did you redeem another one? Rap and sing for the next minute? Yeah, so basically if you redeem that next shit, everything that I say, I have to sing, or everything that I say, I have to rap, depending on what you pick. Please don't do it to me. Would you suggest learning through them first, then try AI, or AI first? Learn through them first. I didn't, so this is how I did it. I watched them and I learned how to do it through them. And then when there was a concept that they explained to me that I didn't understand, I wrote down what they were trying to explain to me, and I told AI explain that to me as if I was 5 years old. And then they brought in the Legos and the toys and whatnot and stuff like that. So that's how I did it. But I would recommend learning through them first and then doing that. And then after, once you start making your game, basically you want to tell the AI to like what you want in the game and whatnot, and start small. Always start small. And then the AI that I use, it's called Perplexity. And the reason why I don't use ChatGPT and I use this one is because there's different models, and I'm pretty sure ChatGPT has different models, but there's different models. Claude Sonnet is the best for coding, is the best. Shout out to your bot. It's doing a great job. Thank you, Boobs Bot. Shout out you. Can I see the exact course, perchance? Yes, you can. I got you, my boy. Let me pull that up for you right here. So this will be gamedev.tv. Game devs helping game devs. Hell yeah, I love it. I love it. All right. I can just log in, right? All right, give me a second, chat. Why can't I pull this to another screen? I know why. Pull this up. Password. I love anchovies. I'm just playing. That's not my password. Everybody's over here typing it as fast as they can. Log in. That wasn't the password. Maybe it was this one. Log in. All right, there we go. We made it. Bam. All right. The course is UE5 C++ Developer Archived course. It's for beginners. It's 29 and a half hours. You have Sam and Stefan. I think the person I liked was Stefan or Sam. One of these guys are boring and one of them are not. I'm not gonna lie. But overall, they both helped me out a bunch and I appreciated it. It was just one guy, he explained shit so much better and he didn't sound like a robot. So, yeah. So it's not Sam, the other guy. So Sam's cool, you know, he taught me a lot, but it's the guy who we made Toon Tanks with, I think. Not Crypt Raider. Crypt Raider was fun. Toon Tanks was the funnest. And then Simple Shooter was the coolest. But yeah, whoever taught Toon Tanks, that dev, that teacher, fantastic guy right there. Fantastic man right there. He is, yes. And then I also got some other courses that I bought, but I haven't learned them. And those courses are, shout out to the bot, how many monitors do you have, Dagger? So I have my laptop, and then I have, I can just show you. So we got this monitor, then we got this monitor, then we got my laptop, and then we have a vertical monitor right here, but I rarely ever use the vertical monitor. I got it thinking, you know, I like it, but it's cool. It's just like when I'm streaming, so having multiple monitors, especially when one of them's 4K, it like weighs down on your GPU. And my GPU can't perform at its full performance because of my Intel, or because of my CPU. It's outdated. So yeah. RIP eyes, rip eyes. I'm glad you wear glasses. Yeah, I wear the glasses with the blue light shit on it. What about the one below? I see. What do you use for the dev? Do you use your own laptop? Yeah, I use I'll show you the specs in a second. Let me answer this question though. So we had a UE5 C++ developer code your own Unreal games. There was a bundle sale going on at the time, so I got it. And then they have a course for making your own action combat. As you can see, I haven't done any of these at all, but I just got it. And then I was interested about the enhanced inputs that were going on, but I already know how to do this. AI taught me how to do this, so I didn't need to watch this course. Game Audio Essentials, SFX, sound design for video games. I should do this. What the fuck? I've been like learning, but they're probably gonna like teach me how to do cool ass things. I see they have Audacity right here, so I need to do this course. I forgot about this course. I haven't logged in so long. I've done completed this and left, and then this will teach you how to make a multiplayer game, and this is intermediate, and it's 11 hours. When I make my multiplayer game, I will be going back to this. But shit, I need to do this one. Yeah, I appreciate you, Idol. I appreciate that. Yeah, that's good for long time screen time. It minimizes radiation. Is that a video or live courses? Oh, it's a video. It's pre-recorded. It's all videos. It's not live. And if you get stuck, you could go in and you could like comment on each lecture, and then someone will come out and help you. And hey, I was supposed to get a certificate as well for completing this course. I completed this course. I was supposed to get a certificate. They ain't never give me shit. They didn't give me shit, man. So I got no certificate. But shit. And then the laptop. Let me show you my laptop. Pull my laptop back up. They also have a Discord server where you can message and ask questions. They do? Shit. I wish I knew about that because during the shit, I did get stuck. And so I commented on the lecture. Or if I got stuck, there would be people who got stuck on the same shit, and you could just go through the comments in the lectures, and you'll see that. But I would have used that Discord if I did it. Well, that's really helpful, or so I've heard. Where am I at? Okay, so my PC. So this is my laptop. How do you check your specs? Right here. System. My rig. Okay, so this is my rig. 32 gigabytes of RAM, 12th gen Intel i9, 2 terabytes, and a 3080. And then my PC is a 4090 Intel i9, 9th generation. That's outdated as fuck. 64 gigabytes of RAM, water cooled. Oh, I could show you. I could just show you, chat. This is my PC. Let me do something real quick. All right, this is it. So we got Thick Pikachu and Charizard. You feel me? Thick as hell and shit. And then we got the 4090 with Sasuke on it. The water cooled fans, CPU, GPU. Got some dinosaurs in there. We got a PlayStation 5 in there. Some Sasuke shit in there. Yeah, that's it. And then my laptop, the brand is Asus ROG. Bam. Bam blam. It's a party PC. Yes, sir. Damn, that's sick. Thank you, Chrome. Appreciate you. That's very colorful. Yeah, not gonna lie, how my room look at. Not gonna lie, that's how my room looked like in 2022. I used to have the shit that went around the room. But now it's just on my bed. Cause this shit, they broke. They're from Amazon, they're cheap. There's also a course to learn C fundamentals on the gamedev.tv. Is it C++ fundamentals or C sharp fundamentals or just C in general? C++. That'd probably help me. I'm pretty sure there's still stuff that could teach me. Or remind me of the things I've forgotten. I have no clue why I pull explanations. I'm dead. It's all good. It's 11.5 hours long. I just hope it's honestly, I don't mind how long it is. I just really hope the teacher's not robotic, bro. That man was talking like a robot. Like, I love him to death. Appreciate the guy. He taught me so much, but shit, bro, like, could you not be any more robotic? He's part AI probably. All right, so did I already add this shit? Where we at? Oh, I'm in the .h. Okay, yeah, we added this. Did we compile it? Let's do our compile. Boom. Some of them have life in their voice, which you can join. Yeah. Wait, have you completed some as well? Some courses as well. Looking for the quad remesher on my hard drive. Also, I dropped some stuff in the Discord. If you get a chance, hell yeah, let's check that shit out right now. Hell yeah, I love seeing shit. Oh my god, this man has dreads. Is that you? You remade yourself? No way. That's so cool. That's so fucking cool. Yo, you did a crazy ass job. Damn, bro. I aspired to be this good one day. That is so cool. Yeah, brother. Who did that? That's sick. That's Cromanti. Cromanti in chat. He did this. Very basic Boondocks demo I did as an exploration for the TV series. Oh my god, there's a video. Hold on, let me check out this picture. This is so fucking cool. What'd you use to texture? Yeah, what do you use to texture? Did you is this drawn on? This is sick. Yeah, this is sick. He got Huey and Riley. The Boondocks. Is there volume? Oh, my volume's up. Are you sure you want to start? This is badass. Holy shit. No way. Huey's hair. Oh, this is so cool. Oh my god. You got their house and everything. What engine was this made in? That is fire. What the fuck? Goddamn, I wonder how long that took. Extreme PBR add-on. How long did that take? I've been trying to learn Blender, but I got stuck on the donut. The donut. I've never, ever did the donut. It's funny that I know what you're talking about, but I never did the donut. Because I was like, why would I make a donut? Why would I make a donut? But I have a playlist I could put in chat if you want of the tutorials that I watched that helped me out a ton. I should have sent that tutorial. I should have sent that playlist to fucking Split. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Extreme PBR. What does PBR stand for? I wonder how long it took. Stick with it. It's labor of love and patience. About 2 weeks in Unity. Bro, that's beast. I know I need to suck it up and finish. Yeah, your brain's gonna want to do everything else but what's hard to do. But you just gotta force it. You can't rely on motivation. That's where discipline comes in. You just be like, you know, I gotta do it. And pick at it day by day. But hell yeah, bro. Appreciate the sharing. This is so cool. Shit, this is the coolest shit ever. The Boondocks. I'm dick riding Obama. I fucking love that song. Or homies over hoes. Homies over hoes. That shit's crazy. PBR, physically based rendering. Extreme PBR add-on. Alright, bro. These are, you got, it sounds like you got some cool ass items, I'm not gonna lie. I'll take a picture of this chat real quick. I'm gonna look this one up. This nigga, I'm deceased. Oh shit. That's hilarious. Let's see. Let's go to our train engine. We got the box right there. Cool. Shit. I mostly finished it, to be honest, but I didn't create a background. Oh, do you want that playlist? I'll put it in the public Discord so that all the other game devs will take it. Oh, it's right here. Game dev playlist. Edit. Unlisted. Save. And then if you want to create creatures, I made a playlist for this as well. Oh, that's already unlisted. Okay. And then that's to make a retro game. This guy right here, he's really cool. So let me give you this. Or here we go. Oh shit, I want to copy the link to this.
Hello, this is a quick feed.
How the hell you copy a link? This is gonna share the video. Can't I just right click it? Open link in new tab. Yeah. So I could just right click it, copy link address, and send this all over. Here are, hold on. Idle. Game dev chat. Wait, what's his? David. I wanted to put Hex, but it's not. What's this man's Discord? I'll find it right now. Doctor, okay. Yo, how come I can't find this man? Dr. William. Dr. at David. Yo. Is man's not in the Discord server? My man's done left the Discord server. I'm about to crash out. He left the Discord server. I can't even at him. Alright, well, that's interesting. At idle. Control V. This link. Sure, I'll take it. I'll drop the links to those add-ons I mentioned, like PBR, in the game dev chat as well. Bet. Wait, what happened? I have no idea. This is a first. This is a first to me as well. Last time I spoke to him, I said, I wish I never took a break. I said this on stream. I was like, I wish I never took a break because I feel like that messed up my momentum, because for a couple of days I was streaming and nobody showed up, and I was like, damn. And then I was all like, Split hasn't been here, Mickey hasn't been here, and I just named a couple of people who are usually here. And then, but I was like, they're probably busy. And then he was like, oh yeah, I just joined in at this time. I just joined in just as you were saying that. And he's like, everybody's just been busy. And I was like, yeah, that's what I figured. You know, it's the holidays and whatnot. And then he also said I streamed too late, so he can't really watch me because our time zone difference or whatever. And that was the last conversation that we had, basically. So I don't even same. I see when I pee when I poop, and I poop when I pee. Sometimes life be lifing. Yeah, that's the only thing that happened. I wasn't like mad at nobody. Maybe he took offense to that, and I didn't mean it in an offenseful way. I was just talking about generally. Feel like I was losing momentum, but I wasn't throwing no jabs at nobody. All right, here we go. And then this link too as well. Where is it? And then the last conversation after that was I just asked if he banned Boobsabot, because Boobsabot was banned, and he could have thought it was a bot, but he said no, he didn't. So I was like, okay, because he's like one of my only mods that actually like ban people or will ban bots for me, because I told him to. But yeah, I don't know what's up with that. But there's your links. I might have to talk to him later. I hope I didn't offend nobody, because he told me he's also busy. We haven't been chatting for a while. Yeah, he told me he was busy as well. But yeah, things happen. But yeah, there's the links, and then I'm gonna get those add-ons once you put it in chat, unless you already did it. No, you haven't. Okay, cool. Bet I'm gonna get those add-ons, because that shit would be awesome. So we want to make this bigger, and I only want it to be, is it perfectly in the middle? Okay, so let's make this bit more. Let's do 1,200. Okay, that's a bit too much. Let's do 1,150. Let's check the other side. Okay, so we could do 1,175. Okay. Okay, 1,170. Let's do 1,168 or 78. Oh no, I meant to do 68. 1,168. Maybe 65 will do it. Alright, so now the monster should be able to run up this part and run up this part, but it won't be able to do anything further. This will make it not get stuck, basically. That's the idea. We could leave this at 200 because I believe it's perfectly lined up. Yeah, it is. Okay, and then we could do this one like so. And just raise it a bit. I froze. Okay, I'm back. I'm back in this bitch. And bam. Alright. I really hope this works, but what else we have to do? Okay, I compiled and set up the box. Now what? Now what is it that I do? Providing instructions. Oh, there's a text message I have to respond to. You know your days off. Maybe I can plan something around that. Okay. Sorry, checking me 1 second. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. Okay, so now tested. Here's what should happen. Expected behaviors. Spawn the monster near the train engine. Let it chase you and try. But we never set up anything. We can't test it yet because we never set up anything. Also, we never removed the tag stuff since we switched over to box component on train. I said rewind and you didn't rewind. These are the moments where I try to spank the AI. Oh, I have a question, chat. What are your guys' opinions on AI with game development? Not just AI coding, but AI like how AI makes models and whatnot. What is you guys' opinions on that? A lot of people are against it. A lot of people are for it. A lot of people are in between. They'll accept the coding aspect and whatnot. Jail time. Not very consistent and dependable, to be honest. I slightly agree with that. So far, it's been good, except for that one fucking day with the save system. That shit pissed me off. But I haven't got stuck yet. I haven't got stuck like to where I couldn't solve something yet. As far as art goes, I don't think it's dependable for art or consistent enough for art. I'm for it. We unlock Pandora's box with AI. With jail time or consistency? Wait, what are you saying jail time for? You saying jail time because I said I was going to spank the AI? Don't put me in horny jail, please. I'm for it. We unlocked Pandora's box with... Oh my God, what's Pandora's box? It's gonna be one of those old moments where like, oh, I know what that is, but I recognize it, but what the hell is Pandora's box? Fuck. I'm uncultured. Sometimes it's good, but there are just times that doesn't work with you as well. Yeah, there's a lot of correcting when it comes to AI, and that's the annoyance. So that's where it lacks consistency, because you constantly have to correct it, and then if you don't have the knowledge to correct it, it makes it even harder. With jail time or consistency, since you said you agree, Life Miles, no jail time for people who are for AI art. Oh, it's like the technology exists, it's not going anywhere, so you might as well adapt. Even with art, there's so I get the rage. Like I understand the rage from the people who are like artists and they work so hard to develop that skill in art just for AI to come over here and be like, boom, instant art, you know? I feel their pain because it's like, damn, you work so hard and then now robots is able to replace you and take your job too. So that's like, because of that, that's why I kind of try to stay away from AI art, and that's why I have like mixed opinions about AI art. As far as AI coding, I love it. I'm all for AI coding because I couldn't be a game dev without it unless I paid a ton of money that I don't have for school. So that's my take on it. But like AI art, I don't know. And I tweaked around with AI art a little bit. Like I made this really cool monster. I'll show you guys. I made this really cool monster and I want to put it in my game, but I'm not going to. I'm going to try to recreate it myself and just use the AI art as a reference and then create it myself, because I still stand on that whole like support the real artists bullshit that they got going on. For sure, but I think the more dependent we are on it, the more we are killing our planet and our access to water. Wait, what is it true that AI uses a lot of water? The same could be said for the Industrial Revolution when we had people manually making clothes slash fabric. Oh, you're right. Damn. Damn, you're right. Because some people prefer the hands-on aspect of things. And it's like, what? You're gonna replace me, and then I'm fired because this machine got my job? I see what you're saying. Damn it, I can't log in to here with this. I need to pull it up on my PC. Meshy AI. But what I made, it was a hound. It was a skinwalker hound. It was so fucking cool, bro. And it retopologied itself for you as well. I really want to use it. Oh, another reason I won't use it is because if I do use it on Steam, I have to put that my game was made. My game uses AI in it, but my game doesn't use AI in it. Code doesn't count. My game doesn't use any AI assets, just code. Okay, so did I spelled that wrong? Yeah, I spelled that way wrong. Damn, I can't stop spelling it right. At gamel.com. Get code. I gotta get my code from the email now. I guess they don't have passwords. It's just, oh, email me a code. I did not know such things. Your verification code 496, and I can't say the rest. I'm sorry, chat. Claim your free gifts. Shit, free gifts. Buy 1 year, get 6 months for free. No thanks. All right, so where do I go to my assets? Okay, so I told it to make me a hound, and I gave it a reference. This was the first one that it made. And this one's cool. It's just ugly in the face and stubby as hell. But the feet are really cool. And like the detail is really cool. Then the next one that I had it make, I think it's the same one. Oh, it made me like a different one, but like a lower poly, I guess you could say, like less detail. And then I tried making it make me a human, and it kind of made me like a dwarf. Like this guy's portions don't look right. He looks short. He looks like a short guy with a 6 foot guy's arm span. Have you heard of Blender MCP? No, I haven't. What is that? And then this is the one that I wanted to use because it looks more like a dog or like the hound. And can I pull up the reference? This was the reference that I gave it. This was the picture that I gave it. Basically, a Skinwalker hound. That I found a video on TikTok of this. Screenshotted it. Put a green screen behind it, and then told this AI to remake it. It did a really good job of it. Like I really like this, and I really want to use it for my game. But I'm just gonna remake it because I don't want to put AIs in my game because then that's just less sales. Because it's gonna be tagged with AI and the people, the market right now, all the buyers, all the ones that are paying money for the game, they don't use AI, but they got the biggest opinions. So I gotta cater, sadly. I gotta put you on game 1 sec. All right, bet. Let's exit deals. And let's exit this. Remove all tag-based detection from Skinwalker. Okay. Skinwalker.h. We added this box component. Wait. Remove this line. Obstacle detector. Obstacle detected. See, I never added this. On obstacle cleared. Yeah, we never added this because the AI never told me to do this unless I just like passed over it. And then we'll go to Skinwalker and we'll remove the obstacle detector information as well. In begin play, remove this. We never added that to begin play. Remove the entire obstacle, remove the box component. And then on train obstacle detected. Skinwalker AI controller. I don't think we ever used. This was a U function. Yeah, we never added that. Let's just double check though. It was void on train. Yeah, we never added this. I think I just skipped through all that. I don't even know how I missed all that. Skinwalker C, remove the entire on train obstacle detector. Remove from begin play if you added it. Remove this tags, add fname train obstacle. So that's in the begin play. I did add that. I know exactly where that's at. Let's remove this. What you should have now, clean setup. Train has side blocker. Skinwalker has nothing related to obstacle detection. Monster AI relies on existing stuck detection and check if stuck, existing try stuck logic. Try unstuck logic. Now test compile. Spawn the monster and let it chase you toward the train. It should hit the side blocker or get stuck briefly. Then try to unstuck should kick in and path around it. If it still gets permanently stuck, we'll tune the unstuck parameters like I mentioned earlier. We added the side blocker to the train. which was just a box component. That's all we did. So how will the monster know about it if we didn't code anything? Through physics collision. Block pawn channel. Monster capsule is a pawn. When the monster tries to walk through the train, UE collision system physically stops it. The monster existing. Check if stuck notice it's not moving. After 0.4 seconds tries to stuck fires. Monster paths around the obstacle. It's using your code you already have. That's not gonna work. Well, maybe it will work because... Nah, I don't think it's gonna work. I don't think it's gonna work. But let's see. Maybe. Let's make sure the train mesh navigation is tags train obstacle. Delete that. Side blocker's already set up. Side blocker in the ground? Yeah, it's in the ground. Okay, and then we just gotta change the navigation of the train. What'd I just do? Wait. Oh shit. Oh, I see. I see what it's doing. That makes a lot of sense. Alright, so since that's the case, we're going to have to make sure that the train updates. Hold on, let me see something. If I push play and I press F8, F8 again, we might have just automatically made it update. Let me find out. Let me move the train. Oh, froze. Why am I freezing so hard? What's going on here? Let's pick this up. Where'd the monster go? Oh, his dumbass got stuck. Alright, train. Go ahead and drive this way. Stop. And let me just press F8. Yeah, see, it doesn't update it. So we're gonna have to make sure that we're gonna have to add a modifier to make sure that it updates it. But the concept seems to work. I just have to make this go inward a little bit. So we'll do 1150. Try it like that, compile that. And then nav mesh, oh, we gotta do it a little bit more because there's like a gap. So let's do it a little bit more. Nav mesh, we'll do 1140 without the slash. Just drop some add-on stuff in the Discord. Also, I'm testing out the quad remesher version I have before sending it. All right, bet. Compile that. Let's open up our Discord. I want to check this shit out. GitHub. Who just said Blender MCP? Visit. That's a cute little cat. Little icon. How do you download this? Oh, okay. Model context protocol integration. connects Blender to Claude AI through the model context, allowing Claude to directly interact with and control Blender. This integration enables prompted assisted 3D modeling, scene creation, and manipulation. We have no official website. What the fuck? AI with Blender? That's badass. Where's the download button? It's right. It's somewhere. You can watch the video I sent below the GitHub link. This is the coolest shit ever, bro. Start MCP server. This will be a big help. How can I help you today? Hey, yo, W Claude. W Cromanti. Green button. You could download the zip. This button? Oh. Download zip. Bet. Does it work with any version of Blender? I use 4.2. I know they updated it, but I haven't updated. Alright, so that's downloading. Let's check out the other stuff. YouTube, create 3D with Claude. Let's see how this works. Visit.
Today we're going to learn how to create 3D using Claude AI, which is that it's kind of giving you
Like, give me an example.
it's using an add-on on Blender. You can AI and believe it or not, using MCP.
I'll create a
which
3D
is
house
connected to
with plans for your
Blender.
Blender.
And believe it
What?
or not, this is my first time using Blender. I had to learn Blender just to understand what's going on here.
So you
And,
just tell it what to do and
fulfill
it'll
one of,
make it
like,
for you?
my dreams, which is to be able to use AI and create from scratch. At the same time, you know, you can see that the AI is currently building.
Nice.
It's using Python code. It's using an add-on
I learned Python a
on
little bit.
Blender, and it's using MCP from Claude to turn code, which is what Claude is really good at, and apply that into creating functions like objects and material. And you can see it's really creating the house itself. Now it's gonna go through multiple steps,
I want to see the outcome in the house.
and it's not, so it's very good at like simple
Little Lego guy.
coloring, lighting. And let me show you some check icon. So it's very do like this animation here without me telling anything. So
Wait, it did the
obvious-
animation? Oh my god, can it rig for me? I fucking hate rigging.
stuff, but
No,
I-
rigging is cool. Rigging is actually very easy. It's the fucking controllers that are confusing.
I think this is amazing.
The IC or EC or
so,
WC or
another thing
BBC
that we
controllers. I don't know.
could
One of
do-
those controllers.
Actually just it's really cool. So
But I'm
you
gonna have to
can
watch
ask
this.
questions. It reads it. It's
That's
like
such a
reading
cute
your
little
code,
thing. It's a
but
pumpkin cat. That's so cool. That's so gas. Oh, what else is in this? Using Claude directly for Blender asset creation, still in early phase. Add-ons, Super Hive Extreme PBR add-on. This is what you use to texture. Let's see the video. Play. Extreme, the powerhouse beasts with so many materials. Wow, it's like what the fuck? What? I'm making GTA 7 now. Fuck this. Yo. What the hell? Does it cost money? Is it like a subscription or one-time thing? Wow, you can add the scratch to the Blenders and blenders. Oh, those are not blenders. Those are fucking cotton. What the hell? That's a cool little robot. One-time payment? A one-time payment that's worth it. Fuck. Look at this shit. This is crazy, bro. Yo, you put me on game for real, bro. So you just color and blend it. Don't need to put it into Adobe Texture, Adobe Paint, whatever. Then I can stop paying for Substance Painter monthly. That's bad. We even got water? That's crazy. What the helly? $89 for the Extreme Pro Pack. 1K, 8K, 1.5K textures. I'd probably get the $39 one. Cause my next games that I'm gonna make are all gonna be low poly. I don't like making realistic games, high poly games. I just did it to challenge myself. But all the games that I actually want to make, low poly. Exactly, you won't need the 4K. Yeah. That's fire. What the hell, bro? All right. What else is in this? Quad remesher.
Let's talk about add-ons that I cannot live without in Blender. Now here you can see that I have a table and a chair kind of made out of wood
I grabbed the
that
2K
I have
one.
sculpted, and it looks okay, but if I
Fire.
click over here, you can see that my topology is looking pretty rough. And that's where the Quad Remesher add-on comes in. Now this is the best remeshing add-on I've ever used. I use it on almost every single modeling project. And this isn't just an add-on for Blender, it's actually an add-on for all major 3D packages and is an industry standard. And it's easy to see why.
Have you ever used anything other than Blender, like Maya and all that stuff like that?
It has an incredible algorithm to take topology like this and convert it into topology like this. And it does it
Wow.
very quickly. So back over here in Blender, all I
wanna
need
see
to
that
do
again.
is select topology like this and convert it into, and it's easy to see why. It has an
Jesus.
incredible algorithm to take
I used
topology
Maya
like this
for all of
and
10
convert it
minutes.
into topology like this. And it does it very quickly. So back over here in
That's so
Blender, all I need
cool.
to do is select my object and open the add-on panel here. Now, the only two settings you really need to focus on here are the quad count and the adaptive size. The quad count will, of course, tell you how many faces that you want it to try and remesh it with. And the adaptive size here will determine how much it will change that number to ensure that it keeps the shape of your object. So if I just go ahead and leave mine here at the default settings here, you can see that it will quickly redraw.
So you could
our
choose
table
how
here,
many
and
faces it
already We can
makes?
see how much better this topology has improved. Now, what I love too is that if I come over here to my outliner,
This one is
you can see that it
$59
didn't
for
delete
single
my
license.
original object. Instead, it just made a new object and tagged it as retopo. That way, it is a non-destructive workflow. But this is better for even
Ooh.
just doing sculpts as well. Now, if you've ever worked with text in Blender here, you know that when you convert it to mesh, it just results in awful
I've never used
geometry
text
like
in
this,
Blender
but with a
before.
quick remesh there,
Only
you
in
can see how instantly this
only in
geometry
Cinema 4D.
looks so much better. Likewise here, if I try to import an SVG logo, it will give us similarly
SVG
rough
logo?
topology to work with, but with a quick remesh
Whoa.
there, I immediately have a mesh that I can easily work with. Let's talk about add-ons that I cannot live without
That's
in
fucking
Blender.
nuts. You know how much time that'll save? It took me a month to make my monster because of retopology. Because I was so confused on the concept of it. Because of all the patterns that you have to do to get it to move right. That's crazy cool. Quad remesher auto max. I'm honestly just thinking about buying it because it saved me so many times. Don't want to be a leech. That's what I did for Premiere and After Effects. I used to just crack that shit. YouTube tutorial how to get the shit for free. And then one day, my laptop broke and I had to get it on my new laptop and I couldn't figure out how to crack it. And so I was like, fine. I use it all the time. Let me just pay for it. And then I pay for it monthly now. Same. Oh shit. That's fire. Bro, this is gas, bro. Thank you, bro. You a beast. I appreciate it for real. So glad I met you. I love meeting other devs and other creators. That's so cool. So all the stuff that you make, do you like document it like in videos or anything? Stream it, YouTube it? Oh shit, what'd I just do? Oh, that's what I did. In your code, a skinwalker check if stuck already handles it. Oh, okay, so let's see if it works. It looks like it's gonna work. And if it does work, that's the fix that I was looking for. Because I really want the monsters to still be able to go on the train. Yeah, he made it over. I'll just get you over here. Run around here as fast as I can. Dart over here. He went around. And he went around. So now as a train mesh... Now, since the train moves, I need it to update the nav mesh as it moves. Then, as it moves, how do I do this? Just the engine. Wait, should I do that for the rail cars too? Let's get one thing working and then we'll add on later. Just the engine for now. I'll probably do rail cars later. I'll probably do rail cars later. And then I need to after I complete this stupid ass train, then I can finally add rules and the monster will stop getting stuck on this bullshit. That'd be great. Gotcha fam, I can drop the links to the unofficial add-ons. Yeah, drop them in private DM me them. Don't put it in public. Can't document our illegal activities publicly, you know. We're over here on stream talking about it. Nah, I don't document it, but I will start up a devlog. Bro, you should. You should. Devlogs are so entertaining to watch. But they're so... I get lazy and I don't like making them. But I make them or whatever. But I get lazy. Like, I haven't made one in 3 months. And I did so much with this game in 3 months. So it's like crazy. No problem, dude. Got to keep it safe in these digital streets. Streets. Exactly. To make the train engine update the nav mesh as it moves, you need to add a nav modifier component that dynamically affects navigation. So that means can affect navigation needs to be... Oh. No, we don't need this on. Because this box is what needs to detect. Okay. I need you to make sure that the box side blocker that we put on is the only thing that that dynamically affects the navigation. It can't be the whole train. It has to be just the box, because that's why it works. I see the I have the can effect unchecked for the train mesh, but that box affects the nav mesh, so we need to keep this in mind for this to work. Every add-on I've used from the site I'm sending has been safe. Then I later purchase from developer if it's useful. Bet it's like a free trial. Free trust. It's like a stolen trial. Oh, I fuck with this. Here's your money now. I got it. So side blocker box is what should affect the nav mesh, not the train itself or a separate nav Make only the side blocker affect nav mesh dynamically. Do not add nav mod like I said earlier. Instead, configure side blocker itself to affect navigation. Can affect true. Side blocker dynamic obstacle true. Marks it as a moving obstacle for nav mesh. Okay. So we're gonna add these to our train engine under U, like so. Make sure the train mesh does not affect nav mesh. In constructor for your engine mesh set can ever affect. I don't need to add this line of code. It's literally done in the game. Enable dynamic nav mesh still needed. You still need dynamic nav mesh enabled in project settings. Edit project navigation system runtime generation. Project settings engine. I just seen it. ABCDEFG navigation system. Runtime equals dynamic. Update nav mesh on move. Runtime dynamic. Auto destroy when no navigation. What was the other thing? Update nav mesh on move. Update nav move on move. I'm not seeing this on move bullshit. Yo, what? Ox? What's good, Ox? How you doing? First time chatter, and this is what you chose to say. I was just curious. Yo, what? No, wait, hold on. There's no way. So you mean to tell me that's actually a thing on Twitch? That you could see someone's OnlyFans if you type that? A guy can ask, can't he? Sure, I mean, yeah. But why though? Like, you know what? You got it. Yo, he said, I was just curious. Yo, what the fuck? That's actually a thing. So I could go over to the some girls channel and type that, and something will pop up if she has a OnlyFans. That's insane. They gotta promote somehow. They said, shit, I'm gonna stream. I'm gonna set up a command. They could type that shit and they can sub to me getting plowed. It's crazy. That is fucking crazy, bro. Really just checked for that shit. Yo, somebody clipped that. That was hilarious. Engine mesh can never enable dynamic mesh still needed. You need dynamic mesh enabled. This allow moving collision like your side blocker. PM me if you set up one, bruh. Wishlist my game, Ox. Can you do that for me? If you wishlist my game, I'll consider making one. How about that? I'll consider it. How about that? I gotta get my wish lists. You feel me? I gotta get my wish lists done. All right, boom. It just popped up right there from Boobasbot. Wishlist that game. The link's right there. I appreciate it, my boy. I appreciate it. You're funny as hell. Your hex color matches your username, so you gain points for that. You gain points there at least. Hex color? What you mean? You got it, robot. I'm dead, lol. Enable dynamic mesh still needed. Use need dynamic mesh enabled. I don't see this. Uh, 5.4.1. Yeah, is a hexadecimal color code. Really? Dad, I thought that was just a name. That's cool. That's cool. I never knew the color codes were called hexadecimals, or like, what's it called? I thought it was just color code. Oh, is that a type of color code? Because what? Wait, what's the color code with the hashtag in it and like the other numbers? Or is that what hexa? I'm dumb. I don't know this stuff. I swear I just be winging it. I got 2 brain cells. A Gooner cell and then a game dev cell. That's hex, broski. 6 equals hex. Oh. 6. Where'd you get the 6 from? Oh, hexagon. 6 digits. God damn it. There's 6 digits? 9911. Wait, his name is DD1199XO. But there's only 5 digits. There's 5 numbers. No, just drop it. Just drop it. I'm making myself hex. Yo, Split. What happened, bro? I was trying to add you in Discord. And you're not in the Discord. You left us. You left us, Hex. Yo, happy to see you, bro. Hope your holidays have been great. How you doing, bro? I don't see this. Where is the update in NavMesh? Perfect timing, to be honest. Honestly, for real, that was crazy timing. How this works: train mesh, no nav, compile and test. Okay, so let's send that in. Locating the update NavMesh on move in UE5. But basically, Hex, what I was gonna send you, or what I was sending to the public Discord and tagging you in, was since you're trying to learn Blender, Idle is also trying to learn Blender as well. So I what's it called? Sent a link to all the little tutorials that I watched that helped me learn. I left the server. I don't know, man. I'm so busy lately with the holidays. The streaming schedule doesn't work for me. I got you. I feel it. I mean, you could have still stayed in the motherfucker. You could have stayed in this bitch. I might rejoin the server. You definitely should. Because and then also, I know my streaming schedule doesn't work for you. But don't worry, bro. I'm gonna start streaming earlier. For you, because I can stream earlier. That's the thing. I just was choosing not to. But I fuck with you, bro. I fuck with you heavy. You a beast, bro, and you're very smart as well. So I'm there's gonna be days where I stream earlier for you, bro, cause I have the free time to do it. So why not? You know what I mean? In UE5 5.4.1 that might exist. Here's what to do: edit project settings. Sent the links in Discord DM, bro. I appreciate you. Thank you, bro. Navigation system, runtime generation, dynamic check. Generate navigation only around invokers. LOL. That was my job, Chromin. No problem, famo. Wait, what was your job, Chromin? What's Chromin? What did that mean? Okay, so that's what it's called. Sending the Discord link was my job. I'm dead. Is that why you banned Boobsabot? No, I'm just playing. His name is Chromanti King. Oh, no, he sent me links to download something in Discord. That's what he meant, not the link to the Discord server. Not static generate. I swear to God, I did not ban Boobsabot. I know you didn't. I think I was already AFK from the streams when that happened. It's because I added Boobsabot like a while back, but it never worked. Remember when the daily check-in shit appeared? Boobsabot was in charge of that as well, or whatever, but the daily check-in never worked how it was supposed to. And then I finally fixed it, and then it wasn't working, and then I asked AI why it wasn't working, and then I seen Boobsabot was banned. So yeah, he probably banned himself, if anything, if you didn't do it, because nobody else would have banned him. So it's probably just a glitch in the system. But I asked everybody who was a mod if they accidentally banned the bot. But everybody was like, nah. So we solid. Oh, Hex, I don't know if you seen. Oh, you didn't see. Guess what? Your homegirl, she won the giveaway that I was doing. She won the raffle. She was what place was she in? She might have been a bonus winner. Cause I did 3 winners and I chose a bonus winner. But yeah, make sure she collects. Yeah, she was a bonus winner number 2. Hypergon, Wuxin, Morshadow, Makey, and Vex won. Check on your bots, folks. It's a tough time here for them. Oh shit. Yeah, I was mad my bot wasn't working. I was gonna spank him and hurt him and whatnot, but glad I didn't have to do that. I just had to unban him. I guess he already got a punishment, so I have to resort to kinks. What? Alright, sorry. But yeah, let her know if she didn't see the what's it called. I'm also gonna let her know so I know what kind of gift card to send. And then I don't know where she's from, but if she's like not from the US like Makey, then like Amazon's not supported in Philippines, so we gotta figure it out. We'll figure it out though, but she'll get her prize. Let's see here. Edit project setting navigation system. Look for these settings. Generate navigation only around navigation false, so it updates everywhere. All right, so that's what we're gonna look at. Generate navigation only around navigation invokers. Generate. She is in USA letting. Okay, yeah. So then Amazon will work. Generate chunks. Generate no chunks. All right, bro. We gonna have to just copy and paste this motherfucker. Copy and paste. Generate navigation only around navigation invokers. That needs to be false, so it updates everywhere. Rebuild navigation at runtime or dynamic navigation enabled. Or dynamic navigation. Rebuild. Yeah, I would like to rebuild. Force runtime. Force rebuild on load. Can spawn rebuild. Advanced. Full rebuild. Fine tune how your project is packaged for release. Let's look at this. Control C. If I type in rebuild, full rebuild, force rebuild, unload, full rebuild. I see full rebuild is unchecked, and I see force rebuild unload. Dynamic obstacle equals true. The exact update and move toggle might not exist in 5.4. Dynamic generation should handle it automatically. Okay. Alternate nav invoker. And then runtime generation. Runtime generation is dynamic. But runtime generation is set to dynamic. I haven't did the alternative yet. Is it good to test? Is it good to test? Hey, Cromonty. Is that you do that like as a full-time job? The engineer, 3D web engineer stuff? Or is it like a hobby? Like how I'm doing hobby. Yes, test it now. See what you have. Runtime generation. Side blocker has dynamic obstacle true. Side blocker has set everything. Config navigation true. Yeah, it's already test to see how it works. Enable nav mesh visualization. Press P in the viewport while playing. Look at the green nav mesh around it. The train move. You should see a hole missing from around the side blocker. Let the monster chase you near the train. It should path around the hole instead of trying to go through it. Alright, let's see then. Let's compile this. Go to our cement plant. Press play. Monster, why are you stuck? You've never been stuck before, so why are you all of a sudden stuck? What happened to you? Come this way? Oh, you're just broken. Alright, well, how about you? Okay, you're not broken.
X6 Studios says, check your DMs, not on stream view. I sent you a message and so did she. Don't read mine out loud, lol.
Alright, bet. I got you. Give me 1 second though. Ah! No, I'm stuck. No, I don't want back shots. Stop this. I froze. Why did you get stuck? Is it because I spawned you in the air? Wait, will you get stuck? Come here. You there. Come here. Let's climb up this. Let's see. What did I do to break you? Where'd you go? Oh, he was going all the way around. Oh shit, I forgot to move something. Hold on, let me check this. Give me 1 moment, chat. Accept. And then check this. Yo, Spud, you said don't read it out loud, but you literally typed what you said in chat. Alrighty.
X6 Studios says, cause I edited it.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, I see that. I see that now. Alright. Big Betterinos. So what happened? How come we're gonna do something. Because sometimes this happens. So I'm gonna close, rebuild. And yeah. But before I do that, I do need to test this. So we saved that. I think because I enabled dynamic. Wait, not dynamic. I did something. Pick this up. Drive you forward. Run down these cities. Okay, so now if I press F8, yeah, it's updating. Oh shit! I see why it's broken. I see why it's broken. So we don't need to restart. How did this happen? Okay. Whatever. What do we do? Let me see what we did. and let's recompile that. That broke it. Yo, hi. Ouch. Bro, these vapes are killing me. I'm not gonna lie. Lethal shooter voice. I understand it now. Exactly. Exactly. I'm glad you're not dead. Me too. Okay, so we recompiled. Press play. F8. Yo, what happened? Is it dynamically? So it wasn't that. Let's keep this on. Well, actually, no. Let's still delete it. We're gonna take a step back. Project settings. Runtime generation was dynamic. Let's see if it was this. Let's change it back to you. Let's make that save. And let's press play. And F8. Interesting. So, the fix for that would be going to my rail car and looking up navigation. Railcar can ever affect. That's the audio component. Can affect navigation. No. Wait. Monster ladder trigger. Can affect navigation. No. Monster ladder back. Can affect navigation. No. The car mesh itself can affect navigation. The clinker mesh can affect navigation. The ladder trigger can't affect navigation. Ladder trigger right's fine. Perfect. Not you removing the shot one. Sad corny, I knew it. Today I was like, I'm not drinking today. I'm not drinking today. Sad corny, sing for the next minute. I knew that you was gonna come over here and try to make me drink the alcohol. And I knew you would have been making me sing. So I was tempted to motherfucking not have that one available to you. Cause I know you. And also sad corny. Oh, sad corny. Next stream I will have Bob. I will have Bob in the emotes. I will. Can this minute be over already? Cause I'm not trying to sing, motherfucker. I hate you for this. You better not redeem the rap one after this, cause then I'll have to start rhyming and shit and freestyling and shit, and I'm not trying to do that. So sad, corny. I appreciate you for using your points for that shit. I hope you don't have no more points. I just texted. Oh, Split said he just texted me. And his but my notifications must be off. I'm so glad you have 50 left. Alright, it's been a minute. I'm done singing. This song's slowly being a rap. Hey, yo, low key it was now. 5:10 now. Damn, bro just came up. Bro just came up. Shit. I can't believe this. You just texted me? Let me see what it says. Give me a second. You did. There's something wrong with my DC. For some reason, I don't receive message. Oh, you're saying you texted her, not me. Maybe you guys have to add each other as friends to see the message. That'd probably fix it. Should I waste 50K on singing and rapping? That'll be torture. No, you definitely should not do such a thing. Well, yes. No. And good thing you can't waste it all. Hydrate. All right, my boy. Get some water in my system, you dig? Thank you, my boy. Appreciate you. I'm all wet inside now with aqua. Hey, there's cooldowns on the singing and rapping, so you can't spam it, thank God. He was hydrating so you can rap later. Fuck. Sad, corny. Oh, I already read that. I'm fucking dead. Show us singing. That's funny. All right. Compile. Cement plant or project settings. Let's change this back to dynamic. Cement plant. Play. F8. Alright, perfect. So now that's fixed. Okay. So now with that being fixed, let's test it. Play. The monster should be able to come out. Yep, he can navigate that perfectly fine, which is perfect for me. I can go in here, grab this remote. Don't give me back shots, I don't need them. All right, run away. Drive the train forward. And then we check with F8. It fills in that spot that previously was there. These spots are still available. And if I go back into the game and I run up over on this train, he should be able to walk up here with me. Yep. Run back over here. He should also be able to come up here. Yep. Perfect. That took like five to 3 days, 3 to 5 days to figure out. Awesome. Awesome. He's had, if you go inside the office, will it follow you? Yes. If I go inside the office, it will go inside with me. But I'll show you right now. It's something that I have to fix. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. So he will go in the office. Let me just do this and close this. So if I close the door, I know he got stuck in that one spot that I have to fix. You stupid monster. Oh my god. All right, so he can't open the doors. That is something I have to fix. He needs to be able to open the doors and also not get stuck like that in the door. But yeah, he can come in here with me. He could take me in this corner. He could. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Chad. I'm sorry. Hey, just delete that from your memory. All right. Yo, somebody put me in horny jail, bro. I'm sick of this shit. All right. Just followed, fam. You're a streamer too, right? Oh yeah, Hex. Are you still gonna be streaming, bro? If you do, I seen on your Steam that you bought a game that I really, really like. Whether you stream or not, we should play it together. Cause that shit is so fun. I feel like it's your style too. I mean, you bought it, so you might fuck with it. Yeah, man, I haven't in a week, but I occasionally stream, but I'm more chill, laid back. Dagger is a better entertainer. Which game? Misery. I appreciate that, Hex. It's funny, when you're here, I call you Hex, but usually I call you Split. Thanks for the follow. Yes, everybody go follow Hex, bro. No homo? Shit, all homo. Not just playing. I'm just playing. Not all homo. Like I said, unpause. Not just playing. But yeah, everybody in chat, go show my boy Hex some love, aka Split, aka changes his YouTube name a lot. Misery. The game Misery. It's like a old style type of game. Old style graphics type of game. Don't need too much entertainment. Yeah, honestly, bro, you ain't gotta worry about like whether you're entertaining people or not, like per se. Some people just like to vibe just for your person how it is. Oh yes, I bought her Dagger. Then refunded it after 30 minutes. How come? That game is so fun. Why'd you refund it? He's streaming once in a while. He's pretty good at it too. Yeah, I watched it. I think it was his first or second stream. He's good. He got it. You just gotta stick to it. You feel me? When he has the time. And then also, Hex. I'm so dead ass when I say this. I really hope you stream the game development stuff that you do. You're so positive, I rate it. But why'd you refund it, bro? That's crazy. That game was so fun. It's early access, so there's not much to it, and it's a bit confusing. Like I got stuck in the beginning. But man, that game made me want to make a game like it.
What happened? Who is it? Hey, Hex Studios, just subscribe. What a beast, bro. I appreciate you, bro.
Hey, chat, y'all can hear the music, right? I swear I better not be dancing to nothing again. I'm gonna cry. But Hex, thank you for the subscription, bro. I really appreciate that. You are a beast. And with you guys' subscriptions, now you guys can use custom emojis, custom emotes, and also you are giving points to my Twitch account to be able to put more emotes and emojis out. So for you guys, so I appreciate that. Thank you very much. You guys are awesome. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Thanks for the gifted sub, man. I don't even know what this means. Basically, it gives you a sub and it lets you subscribe to me, so now you don't get ads or anything like that. Low key, yes, loud and clear. Yes, perfect, bro. Because that clip of me dancing to nothing is so goddamn embarrassing, bro. Gifted to me, thank him. Thank you both. He gifted to you, but you used it on me, so I appreciate it. Thank you, Chromanti, and thank you, Hex. I appreciate you. I'm not one to steal valor. I don't know what that means, steal valor. Oh wait, but Split, you never told me why you refunded the game. Sad corny dancing and shit. The little black guy. I'm dead. Just for instance, this is how she fucking linked the she linked the clip. I hate you. This is how he danced with no music. Check out this clip. Technical streaming suffer. Bro, that shit was so fucking embarrassing. The worst part is I had no idea. So people were just, what's it called? I'm just shaking my dreads and screaming to nothing. God damn it. Okay, so that worked. Perfect. Now it works. The final thing I need to do is add that same box component thing to my rail cars. It was 3 subs, I think, left myself, all with no music. Yeah, it really was. So I didn't do it just once, not twice, about 3 times, maybe 4. Who knows? This shit's terrible. Hex pinned the shit. I hate you, bro. Y'all working against me right now, motherfucker. I just refunded it because I wasn't sure about it. I wanted to play with a friend, but they didn't like it much. Hey, bro, play with me, bro. We could stream it or we could play it off stream. Honestly, that's up to you. But I love that game so much. I love that game to the point where I want to reach out to that developer and tell him I will develop something in that game for fucking free. That's how much I fuck with that game. Because there's so much shit that's fucked. And then also, like, I would, like, or I'd tell him name his price. But yeah, that shit cool. But yeah, Hex, you should definitely rebuy it. I think it's on sale too right now, so it's not $9. It's not. I think it's like $7 now. But yeah, if you're down, I'm down, bro. That game is so fun. So let's add a side blocker to the rail cars. Okay, let's do this. Let's do these. Perfect. Let's add the same blockers as rail cars. Okay, so rail car class. This will be in a public section. Where's my public section? Here it is. I made PayPal. I bet. Are you able to DM me on Discord for the email so I could send the funds? I would need your PayPal email to send it there. I know I bought it on sale, refunded the same day. So the question is, are you gonna get it again so that we could play? Perfect. Now let's add the same blocking setup to the rail cars. Add side blocker. Oh, but disclaimer on the game though. It is early access, so there's bugs. Performance wise, it's great though. He did 2 updates. Player X playing hard to get. On God. So yeah, you're gonna run into some dumb bugs, and then the content, it's lacking once you get to end game, but still fun. I mean, I did the tutorial. The second I saw having to connect wire to generator and shit, I was like, oh fuck this. Yeah, bro. There's the whole power system is you connect a wire to a battery, and you connect a battery to a battery, then you have like a bunch of batteries connected to the battery, and the fucking what is it, because you don't just rely on the gas generator. That's just like early game. You can make a turbine or a solar panel, connect that solar panel to charge all those batteries, then you get power forever. And you just set up your wires neatly or whatever. But yeah, that gas shit sucked in the beginning. I'd rather connect to a battery to my nipple and still wait, what? I'm fucking dead. You know what? Me too. I wonder how that would feel. Wait, it probably burned my nipple off. My nipples are tiny. They're like chocolate kisses. You guys want to see? Head ass. All right, let me lock in. Let me lock in. Control V. I'm gonna make this edit anywhere. I'm sorry, chat. Just ignore what I said. All right. Put me in horny Joe. I lied, Nutsies. Chocolate kisses. What the fuck? Oh. That shit is so funny. I forgot what I said, but Sput or Hex, he was all like, "You're weird, Dagger." That shit was funny as fuck. In Railcar CPP, we have to add component/box components. All right. We got hella components right here. Ladder trigger bind events. All right, so these go here. Or actually, we'll add it here. Cromonti King. They stick out that much. Damn, Makey going to go wild. They don't stick out that much. That's wild. That's wild. No, I meant like they're small. No, they're not pointy. God damn it. I done fucked myself. Oh shit. Yo, hold on. How come TikTok hasn't asked me for a puzzle in a minute? We got it. Okay, cool. Let me just test this real quick. Okay. It's broken again. I'm so glad I tested it, because Hanashiro popped up and he would have been pissed. Alright, and then connect. Bam, there we go. Cardi B pepperonis. How you know about that, man? How you know about that? How you know Cardi B's size? He said, I used to watch her when she was a stripper. Add the side blocker, so the create the default sub-object bullshit again. Make this nav mesh block dynamically, car mesh. Okay, Control C. And then we're gonna add this right there. Ensure the car mesh does not affect nav mesh on this side blocker. We don't need to do this. We do not need that line of code. Make this box mesh affect the nav mesh. You'll adjust in Blueprint, of course. And we'll do it like that. They're big as hell. I've seen the pics. Bro, but they're also fake as hell, bro. I've seen the pics. Did you go into them? That's my question. Did you? Did you? TMI. Sorry, chat. I'm crazy. All right, come do this, and we'll do the same thing that we did for the train, and that should wrap it up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Stripping, linking, patch off, patch creation. Well, no. How come? Huh? Is it because she's black? Huh? I'm sorry. I'm sorry to take it there. I'm just kidding. Don't answer that. All right, BP Rocar. I'm wilding right now, chat. Put me in Horny Joe this instant. Okay, viewport. Bam. All right, let's grab you. Oh wait, clinker mesh. Whoa. Where is it? Oh, side blocker. Can I get a front view, please? Or sorry, a left view. Perfect. I should have did this earlier. Shit. All right, let's extend this box out to be about here. I think that'll work. Fuck, I can't see it. I have to push play and push F8. Whoa. Why are you red? Oh, that's my. Get out of this. BP rail car. Oh, I need to make you taller. Nav. Can affect navigation. Yes. Dynamic obstacle. Yes. Alright, homies, gonna head to bed, but great chilling with y'all. I'll drop in for the next stream. Where did everyone go? Yo, Chromanti, I appreciate you. Thank you for the subs. Thank you for putting me on, bro. You are a bestiality. A motherfucking beast in reality. Nah, but for real, thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you for the subs, and thank you for the putting me on to all those shit. Appreciate you, my boy. Love you, bro. I'll see you next time. Have a good night's sleep. Dream about me. Type. I'm just playing. No doubt, fam. I got you. Appreciate you. Where did everybody go? Sad Coney, they come and they go. You just gotta love them when they're here and love them when they're gone. You know what I'm saying? Much love, for real, bro. Keep it up too, cause your work that you're making, phenomenal. Love that Boondocks game. Thanks for the gifted sub. All right, heck, stop playing hard to get. Let's play Misery. And we'll play early in the day too, so I'm not messing up your sleeping schedule. Cause that's important. All right, let's see if that fixed it. Play F8. Yeah, why is it red? Railcar audio monster ladder. What about the mesh itself? Let me just see something. Play and F8. Now it doesn't work at all, and he gets stuck. You know what's misery? You twisting my my arm to play a game. Well, you wanted to play, you perv. I'm fucking dead. You wanted to play a game with me, man. And I said, if you find a game that is your style, I'll play it with you. Cause like, what's it called? Left 4 Dead, not my style. I literally just played that for the group. It was a cool game, but I don't know. I like my survival games type. Bro, I suck at shooters now. I haven't played a shooter in a cool minute. Then I tried playing forgot what that game's called. Play Outlast Trials. Oh, I have all of them. I have all of them on Steam. I would be down to do an Outlast stream. I will be. Shit, I might even do a marathon. I want to do a marathon stream for Uncharted. That's gonna come soon, where I can't end stream until I beat the whole series. Probably gonna have to take vacation to do that though. How do you not like Left 4 Dead 2? It's literally the best zombie FPS shooter co-op game ever. You just kick ass. You want to know what the best zombie FPS co-op game ever is? Black Ops 1, 2, and 3. That zombie game was fun as hell. All the Easter eggs that you could do, that's my style. So when I play Left 4 Dead 2, it don't feel the same, you know? COD Zombies is great, but it's not even a game, it's a game mode. That's true. I just like, I don't know, it's not Left 4 Dead 2 is just not, I don't want to say scary enough, because zombies isn't really scary, or Black Ops Zombie isn't really scary. I mean, it used to be when I was a kid, but I don't know how to put it. It's not a bad game though. Like, I don't hate Left 4 Dead. It's just like, it's not something I would have ever played if I didn't have people to play it with, I guess you could say, like the whole streamer group. If I didn't have incentive to play it. Minecraft with zombies at that point. But Left 4 Dead 2 is, wait, like, don't get me wrong, I'd play BO3 custom zombies with you 100%. You would? I have BO3 on Steam. I love the custom maps. But Left 4 Dead is just perfectly balanced, has more variety in infection type, cool guns. I don't know why I'm hating on Left 4 Dead, because like there's nothing about it that I can really hate on. It's just not my style. The one thing I love about Left 4 Dead 2 is like you could just, like, how it's open world. I'm not gonna lie, Left 4 Dead made me want to make a zombie game where you could just traverse the world like that, because that would be cool as hell. But with the survival aspect of like making a base and stuff like that too. But fuck yeah, I'd play custom zombies with you. You need the T7 patch. It's just one tiny EXE that you run along the game, protects from hackers and DDoSers and shit. Oh wow. They can hack you through the modded maps online? That's crazy. Yeah, Left 4 Dead 2 is not a bad game. That's not what I'm saying. It's just, I just wouldn't play it alone unless it was with somebody. It's like one of those games. Like, it's only fun for me if I play with people. Oh my god, man. The old COD games on PC are all compromised. Really? So when they hack you, what do they do? And what if you play offline? Because whenever I played, I did a private match. I never played in public lobbies because people would always steal my bow in the Horizon Drac map. I gotta get the remote for the train and drive this train forward to see if oh wait, what am I doing now down here? Oh, my monster's still stuck. Okay, it updates. But that's because I forgot to untick this. So we have to test it again. I'll read that chat in 1 second. Let me test this real quick. I got you, my boy. Grab you. Grab you. Drive you forward. Look at this doofus. Oh, he figured it out. F8. This red part. What's happening here? Let's see if it works. Let me try this. Go back into the game. I want to get him stuck. Oh, he got over still. Oh, there's 2 of them now. Let me get my stamina up. Alright, we're gonna run. Hard turn. Come on. Run again. Go up here. Run again. Boom. There's no way they kept up. They kept up. Oh, where'd you come from? Were you stuck back there? Well, let's try that again. Let's try that again. I'll get my stamina up all the way. A lot of COD games are always online in one way or another. The second you launch it and your IP is out there. I can't believe you don't know about this. It's a massive issue for years. Yeah, I've never heard about it. I saw someone on TikTok say that a certain group have control over COD games and they DDoS you for you to leave the game. Wow, that's crazy. Nothing ever happened to me when I played on it though. Thank God. One still made it over. So it works. I don't know why it's red. Okay. It works, but why is it red under? What Corny said is literally one of the biggest reasons those games are mostly dead on PC unless you play with patches and shit. And the developers of the games, they don't do nothing about it. Or they can't do nothing about it. The red under the train means the nav mesh marking that area is unwalkable blocked. This is actually correct. Here's what the color means. When you press P, shows a nav mesh, green walkable, red blocked, unwalkable, yellow, different costs like slope, no hole under no nav mesh data at all. Ah. Well, you're seeing red instance. Okay. So I see. How come the train just has no nav mesh data at all instead of being red like the rail cars? All COD gamers, even BO1 is still basically full price 15 years later on PC. They don't give a fuck. Yeah, I seen that. I had to buy Black Ops 3 for $59 on PC.
Loki Merky says, "What is horny jail? I missed the explanation."
Horny Joe? Use your points and do it. It's nothing crazy. It's just kind of like an effect to the stream. And it's like, oh, he's being horny again, and then you put me in horny jail, and then I'm like sad. But yeah, redeem it. See what it is. See what happens. It will work. If it doesn't, I'm sorry. Now I'm in jail. So basically, that's what happens when I'm saying something crazy. You could put me in the jail, and then I realize it. I need to make a sound effect for it so that I hear that I'm in there. But yeah, then like, oh, I said something crazy and now I'm in jail. Not worth 2,500 points. Not gonna lie. How much is it worth? I'll change the price. Give me the points. It has sound effects though. It does have sound effects, but I can't hear it. But basically, I added that. It was my sister's idea. I liked it a lot, and it's good for clips. So like, if I'm saying something crazy and then y'all put me in jail for it, I can make that into a clip. It'd be cool if it like was able to affect my computer, like my screen, and so like I can't do anything. So they do it midstream while I'm in a game, and mess it up for me, bro. That'd be pretty funny. But
You already fit the dogs?
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
But I'll do 1,000 points. I'll change it right now. Farm. It only lasts 5 seconds for 2,500. That's like hours of watch time for 5 seconds playoff. And yeah, totally benefits you more than us. Total clickbait. Yeah. Yeah. Total click farm. I got scammed for 2.5k. Hey, you said you needed something to spend your points on. I figured you were going to be the first person to use it. I was surprised you hesitated. I want 1.5k refund. Laugh myself. Dagger sleazy. Yo, tell me why I'm always making, like, TTS used to be so much money. Shadow spent all his dagger points on it, and then I changed the price after. Honestly, guys, I'm sorry. So 1,000 sounds good. Everybody agrees on 1,000. I wish I could gift her 1.5k. I still have 12.6k. Hey, Makey, at least I kept my promise and said you wouldn't hit 20k points without there being stuff for you to spend your points on before then. I kept my promise. I added more stuff, and I'm still gonna add more stuff. Also, if you guys have ideas of things to add, I'll do it. I will do it. Oh, I'll add it. Just let me know. I got the horny gel idea from my sister, and then I seen a YouTube comment about the singing one, and I was like, oh, I could do a rapping one and the singing one. 10 points to end, 10k points to end stream. I seen that. I seen people doing that, but I was like, fuck, I don't want to do that. Cause what if I'm like having a good ass stream, and then someone's like, okay, well, you have too many viewers, and you know, the shut the fuck up, Dagger. You guys go mute me. I'm dead. Nah, you guys are bullying me now at this point. Alright. Oh, Makey and Split, there's also a take a shot for 1,000 points, but it's not on right now. Horny gel, edit. Alright. I'll do 800. I'll do 800 for horny gel. Alright, exit this. Oh wait, no, I'm gonna go stream manager. Bam. 10k points. It's just you. It just says you suck, Dagger, and end stream automatically, and then plays a fart sound. Take a shot of booze. No thanks. No, not you, me. So you guys could make me basically get drunk on stream by doing that. And then the best time to use that would be during a game with the boys. With the Twitch group. No, not encouraging drinking. I respect it, and I know why. So that makes sense. But tell me why. I forgot about that, what you had previously told me. So I thought that I thought it was going to be you who would abuse it. And I was like, oh no. But instead it was just sad corny. But luckily you can't be abused that bad because there's a timer on it. So I can't just take one after, take one after, take one after. But yeah. Sad corny. Because I wasn't sober for a year. I had 3 beers today. That's it. Hell yeah, bro. That's good though. That's a big that's a big progression. And then being able to treat yourself like that, having 3, that's good. Broke the streak. I feel like breaking the streak is more so getting shit faced. I feel like having 3 is like, that's okay. Because, you know. But if it's a consecutive 3, day after day after day after day, then yeah, that would be breaking the streak. But I don't think you actually broke your streak. But technically, I guess you did. Don't want more. In the past, I would have I wouldn't have stopped. I blacked out. Yeah, see, I feel like if you would have blacked out, that would have been really breaking the streak. It's the holidays. We don't count it. Exactly, bro. It's time of the year, celebration. Hey, what did everybody get for Christmas? Side blockers height difference. If the train side blocker is positioned too high above the train's nav mesh, it might not interact with it. Rail car blockers are low, touching the ground. Check blueprint, compare Z difference. If you added nav mesh component, if you added a nav mesh component to the train earlier. Oh, is there a nav mesh component on the train? No. I think maybe if I do is left view and zoom out. Oh no, it's perfectly aligned. Oh, I know why, because it's not high enough. Oh, oh, it works as a collision, that's why. I see. Okay, so let's tell it that. That box works. That box we made for the train works as a collision. That's why. So instead it's green at the top of that box. Why is that? Let's see if that's the why. Nothing. What you mean nothing? The green on top of the boxes means nav mesh is being generated on the surface itself, treating it collisions. But UE sees the top surface as a flat walkable, so it's building nav mesh on top of the green. To fix this block without creating a walkable surface, add don't create walkable surface. Side blocker fill collisions under math equals false. You asked what we got for Christmas. Yeah, and I'm saying how come? You got nothing. Control C. We're using area. Class that's not walkable, include nav mesh, static class, sidewalker. This tells you the box affects the nav mesh. You don't treat the top as walkable, it's purely blocking the volume. Apply the same fix to the rail car. Side blocker fill collision. Alright, let's see if that works. Train engine. Side blocker, train engine, control V. Alright, let's compile this. Sad Corny, if you really got nothing, then I'm getting you a gift. And test. It didn't work. But I guess honestly, who cares if it didn't work or not? No, thank you. No, you wouldn't accept a gift from me? Why is that? Save selected. All right, let's see. Or do you just not celebrate the holidays? So we added that. I need to add this to my list. I fixed this. Now the last thing that we need to do. What is this? Boom. No, I'll update my list later. Hopefully I don't forget. I'm about to drop a devlog soon. We have a couple more things to do before I drop the devlog. I just need to do the jump scare now and the nav mesh rules. I do celebrate Christmas, but I feel like I don't deserve nothing right now. Well, I think you do deserve something. But if your genuine decision is to not accept, then I respect that. But the offer's open. Just letting you know the offer's open. I'd love to gift you something. Devlog idea. Give me the devlog idea. What is it? Also like stroking my idea. I mean my idea. Alright, my ego. Well, dyslexia kicked in. Also like stroking my ego. Wait, what's the idea? Or are you talking about the pixels and balls thing? Alright, so the train works perfectly. The monster now can climb up the train and also go around the train. No more cheesing the monster on the train or the rail cars. The monster can climb up on the rail cars and on the knuckles. The monster reacts faster to being stuck in 0.4 seconds to restucking itself. We have monster noises to continue. That screech that you made, Hex, I'm keeping that in, but I'm adding an echo effect to it. When it screeches, it's going to echo. I guess kind of like a reverb. I think that'll make it sound more scarier and more full. Hey, I met this cool guy named Hex Studio, aka Sput. He helped me with my game. He helped me with the lighting, the audio, ideas, balancing the objects. Then I see why you said struck your ego. Ideas, balancing objects. Then tragedy struck. He left my server and went AFK on stream. I was lost without him. I think I'm gonna cancel this game. Now JK, he came back. Trump thinks music plays. I'm dead. Nah, you're gonna be mentioned. You're already in the script. For the devlog with everything that you helped me with or whatever. I appreciate you tons. I really do. Stroke that motherfucker ego. You deserve it, my boy. You've been a big help. But I think that's gonna end this stream. Next stream we're going to work on, and just by stroke my ego, I meant that like as a joke. Of course, like the click, like clickbait. Whatever, I don't know. Nah, bro, I know, bro. I know you joking. I wonder why it's that's so weird. This is so weird. And I want to get rid of it because it bothers me, but it doesn't break the game. So it's just one of those things. The players would never see it. My fear is that what if the monster's patrol system tries to make it go up here? Then I'm fucked. Or right here. But so far it hasn't. So who knows? But yeah, see the future in pixels and balls. Fucking dead. Yes, sir. But yeah, I think that's gonna end today's stream. How long did we stream for? Almost 4 hours. And we finally got something that I've been working on for days. So nav mesh rules is what we're gonna do next. Nav mesh modifying rules, so that the monster doesn't get stuck in places like this. We fixed the monster getting stuck right here, which is great. And then we got to take the monster around different areas of the map to see if it'll get stuck or not. Also, I feel like this should be knocked down. Because I don't want the monster to chase the player down into this tunnel and get stuck right here. Or that fixes the problem. That fixes the problem. How come this doesn't affect the mesh? Oh, it puts the thing on top. That's why. think we're just gonna have to do it for that. Like so. Yeah, but this way the monster can't get over there. Let's test it real quick before I end stream. I'm gonna head to bed. I have to go to the cemetery in the morning to see my dad since it's his birthday. My condolences to your dad. Hope you have a good sleep, and I hope you have a good time visiting him. I like that you're visiting him. That's sweet. But good night, bro. Appreciate you being in the stream. Sorry to hear that corny. That's very sweet. Facts. Oh. All of these have to be... All these have to affect it, so he knows to go around. Little stuff like that matters big time. Alright, perfect. So let's give it a test. Where'd the other monster go? Oh, he got stuck right there. Yeah, I gotta put rules for that. Oh, you're not supposed to follow me up. Alright, fucked up. I know what to do. Oh, he just knows now. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, that'll conclude this game dev. We got a huge issue fixed, and that was the monster being able to be cheesed on the train. Finally figured out how to do it to let the monster be able to go on the train while also go around the train with the nav mesh. Glad I finally figured out a solution. I tried so many different things, but one thing would break another, and the other thing would break another. So this is finally a fix where both of them could work itself out. And then we even add a fix that we didn't need, but helps for the rail cars as well. So great day today. Also, Split, when you're game deving and you say you ever decide to use AI, I'm gonna show you something that helped my AI be less stupid before I go. So you go to your account or whatever, you go to personalizations, and you can introduce yourself basically. And I just told the AI a bunch of stuff. I told it what I'm using, and I gave it rules, the standards that I expect, so that it stops doing the things that I don't want it to do. So it trains the AI a bit more. It's pretty cool. But yeah, finally accomplished this. Thank God. Let's close this and let's run our rebuild task. Run build task. Boom. Oh, puzzle time. Alright, we'll complete this puzzle. Alright, TikTok, I will see y'all later. Peace out. End live. End live. Alright, now it's just me and the tubes. Twitch and the tubes. But alright, chat. Y'all have a beautiful night, a beautiful day. I will catch you guys in tomorrow's stream. Tomorrow Sunday? Yeah. I'm gonna stream earlier tomorrow. The 29th? Yeah, I'm gonna stream earlier tomorrow. But yeah, y'all. Appreciate y'all. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful day, whatever time it is for you guys. You, Hex, it'd be nighttime. Almost morning time, 12, 1, 2, 3. But yeah, bro. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye, Makey. Bye-bye, Hex. Bye-bye, Corny. Bye-bye, Boobs-a-bot. Also, thank you, Hex, for using that sub that you're gifted on me. I appreciated you. I appreciate you for that.